Oh boy, FPS like cut in half. Well, that's okay, I guess.
Woohoo. Where are you streaming, Broijo?
Just to YouTube.
Awesome. Please post the link to your stream in the main Logic World Discord.
Oi,
Yeah.
aren't blue pegs a thing anymore?
Nope.
Hey, what the fuck?
So there's a better version of snapping pegs that I'm working on and that I hope to have done for 1.0. Until then, use multi-wire placing, which is like, good.
Yeah. Jimmy,
Who said my name?
I did. I'm just complaining.
Ah, fair enough.
That's all. Jimmy!
Okay, good music. Okay. This world is very corrupted, I think.
Okay, so update.
Yeah, nothing is interactable anymore.
Alright, try a different save. You can just use the command from here to type
Uh,
in load save
all
and then
my-
some new save name.
All my keys are unresponsive. I pretty much just have to close the game.
Oh no.
Sad.
Sad indeed.
Okay, now it is... Okay, it closed
Oh
successfully.
my god, Nick, are you playing for Elise?
Okay, good, it loaded.
Not really bits.
Who needs to build a circuit to play music when you can just click on the
Exactly.
So
Also,
it's-
we recently did some tech upgrades that allow us to accept MIDI input, and I'm gonna make it so that when you press a MIDI key with the Singer menu open, then it switches to that key. So it'll literally be just a synthesizer within the game.
I do have a MIDI
That's
keyboard,
awesome.
so I am excited for this.
Okay, now the
I'm
now the FPS is good. I think
Woohoo!
that save
Do
I
you-
think was just very corrupted because of the bad. I think the board did it. I don't even know.
Yeah, for people watching the stream.
Oh,
how's
shit.
the FPS
Okay,
on stream?
the board is fixed at least. The board is in the center now.
So I don't think the percussion sounds are supposed to be in this menu, right? Those are for the noisemakers, not the singers.
Okay, so the drums are for instruments that cannot be pitched. The singers are for instruments that can be pitched, and there are percussion instruments that can be pitched.
I see. The tinkle bell sounds pretty horrible.
I'm pretty sure the range is fucked. Try like a much higher note.
Yes.
Okay, no, maybe it just sounds horrible.
I like how there's sort of I like how there's sort of a little animation for the lever, I mean for the switch.
Thank you. I like that too.
Yes, it's not just instantaneous. And also the what are these blockers? They're interesting.
Blockers?
Yeah, like the cube thing on in pegs. They like stop.
Oh,
they
exclusive pegs.
Yeah.
Also, Broijo, you're getting some echo, or somebody is.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. It's me.
It's you, Broijo. Yeah. But yeah, exclusive pegs are fucking awesome. They're one of my favorite features of Logic World.
That will make circuits much
Hello,
simpler.
Felipe.
Oh, hello.
It's pipe.
That's Pipe.
Hello, pipe.
He's alive. I've always thought it was Jimmy trying to make us think he's still alive. Wow.
I am.
Oh my goodness.
Well,
Felipe, people are playing our game.
Yeah,
this
your
is-
game's broken.
Yeah, it's broken, but like people are playing it. I can't believe it.
Wow.
Just try out the range. Oh. Okay. Also, quick. True.
So yeah,
Well, many more, twice as much.
yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah, but also like I feel it's important that each component has a distinctive shape, right? Like that just gives rise to interesting emergent gameplay.
Yep.
And also there's such a thing as making it too easy, right? So I don't want to have every single component be one by one.
Yeah.
Hi, Daniel.
Just a silence.
Just silence, I suppose. Daniel might not have a microphone. I don't know.
Okay. Well,
Felipe. So the bug that held us up for like 20 minutes after testing started, is that the integrated server couldn't run without .NET Core 3.1 installed. There's a way to build the server so that all the dependencies are like integrated, right?
Yeah, it should already be building like that. I'm not sure why.
Okay, well we'll have to investigate that.
Yeah.
finally, very small XOR gate.
Oh yeah.
And I think I can confirm the AND gate is working.
I think you can.
Yes, that's working.
Brogujo, you realize we have a built-in XOR gate now.
That's cheating.
Well, yeah, I know.
Oh, you're just testing stuff. Cool. Oh, this is fucking unbelievable.
Simoa is asking when will the documentation come out? Probably for modding and.
For modding?
That's probably more of a Felipe question.
Yeah, like I'd say we'd try to have it out like at least a few days before release.
Whoa.
But
Crouching. I can get very close.
yes, press C to crouch.
Oh.
Are we actually playing as Bobby?
Yes, you are, sir.
Good.
Is there a third person command?
Not yet.
How do I delete boards?
T.
If they're empty, press T on them. If they're not empty, press G to start moving them, and then press T while you're moving them.
Yeah,
It's not
G doesn't work for me.
Oh, that's weird.
Just a bit finicky.
Can you use G on other components that aren't boards?
Yes, I can, but not boards.
Interesting. Okay, I'll look into that.
But
And
empty
also-
boards, I can't delete them either.
I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to be able to place boards like that.
Oh, yeah, you're not supposed. Okay,
That
thank
was
you.
promised Redstone. Oh, sorry, Red. I need to try and change my Twitch name, because I think it's still saying I'm playing Minecraft. Let me try and fix that. Settings, appearance, embed. Stop. Bye.
Daniel, can you hear me? Let's get your bugs fixed. Hello, Daniel. If you're speaking, I can't hear you.
Sorry. Okay.
All good.
My push to talk wasn't working for whatever reason. It was just like rapidly flicking on and off. So
No worries. I appreciate you using push to talk, unlike some people.
yeah, I generally don't like using anything other than push to talk. I will try and fix that quickly though. Just 1 second. If not, I'll be back in 5 seconds.
All
I
right.
like
See you
how Jimmy
soon.
is having the busiest day of his life, and he's still like roasting people.
Of course. Okay. It is kind of unbelievable to me that someone besides Felipe and myself are playing Logic World right now. Like, I don't know how to put into words what
Dude,
that
that's
feeling
how you
is.
feel? Come on. What about the rest of us?
I'm like scared to use boards because it's just going to corrupt stuff.
Oh right, because they can't be deleted and stuff.
Discord.
Yeah, I'm
bad,
just
Steam
going-
chat good.
I'm just gonna use the floor.
All right, Jimmy. Push to talk isn't working, so I'll just have to be very.
All right, yeah.
Under the floor of the world.
Oh, how did you do that? How did you go onto the floor of the world?
You just walk to the edge of the world and then go under.
Oh, cool. Okay, so Daniel, what are the errors you're getting when you try to play the game?
Everything I've posted is what I'm getting. If you want expansion on anything, let me know.
Okay.
And I'm getting missing localization for the language Lenny as well.
Oh, well, switch your language from English from Lenny to English.
Oh, but I want Lenny language.
Okay, well, I haven't.
Jimmy.
Criminal scum.
Pretty much.
Okay.
I haven't finished translating the game into Lenny yet, so it's incomplete for now. I'm sorry.
Also, how's French translation going?
I have not done any of that. I've been counting on you and Stenaudion, and I think there was another and Kamoa to
C'est moi.
do the translation.
I
C'est
can
moi.
collaborate somewhat on that, but my French isn't awesome.
Yeah, I would prefer to have native speakers doing it, which Nano and
Yeah,
the others are.
But by collaborating, I mean like check it over.
Right,
It
yeah.
should be like a base level French, right? I should be
Yeah.
able to understand it.
Yeah, I intend to do the same. Probably you have the game files, you have the localization files now, but probably don't start working on localizations just yet because the localization keys are going to change very soon. We need to clean them up and make them all consistent.
Alright, so
Okay.
an issue I'm having, Jimmy,
Yep.
is that it's taking a lot of time to load the Lenny localization.
Probably it's all the errors for missing localization keys.
Yeah, like to the point where it's taking like 2 minutes to load the server. I just switched it back to English and it loaded immediately.
Okay,
No.
yeah. Let's
So maybe suppress errors after like the first 2.
yeah, I'll look into making I'll look into that. Thank you. Can you put that in like bugs? Like it takes way too long to load it on language Lenny. Just so it's on my list and I can get back to it.
Also, I think I just found a bug having to do with rotation.
Let's see.
Yeah, you can rotate a component and not rotate it back to ending. Like, rotation is really weird.
Sorry, I'm watching your stream now. Can you show me an example of weird rotation?
Okay, here, component
Yep.
rotating, but doesn't rotate back.
Oh, this is sad.
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, thank
there-
you.
is
I'll
there, like-
look into that.
Is there like a minimum length for wires?
Yes, there is.
Oh, this is sad. I can't connect this.
Let me check. Sorry, let me see your stream.
This is this is like barely, it's like barely clearing. But if I could connect this, I would be cool.
Okay, there's some delay between the stream and oh yeah. You can't connect stuff that's like right next to each other like that.
Ref.
The reason for that is that I want it to be obvious at a glance, like whether something is connected or not. And when the wire is so short that you can't even see it, then then you can't just tell at a glance.
Oh, okay. So
And things are too short to
but
see.
that was already annoying in Tongue 2.6.
Yes, so that's why I fixed it in Logic World. Oh, you mean
Oh,
you
Yeah,
didn't like this in
2.6, you couldn't connect things that were too close, and you fixed that in 2.7, but then you
Right.
brought it back.
Okay, so the way Tongue worked was absolutely fucking wild, and the minimum wire length was actually a technical limitation because wires literally could not exist unless they could raycast between their 2 points. In Logic World, the minimum wire length is a design decision, not a technical limitation, and it is like significantly bigger than. Sorry, it is the minimum wire length in Logic World is significant. I don't know what I'm saying. Do you get what I'm trying to say? I'm sorry, I'm really tired.
yeah,
I
you-
get that it's a design decision.
good music.
It's just the fact
Hey,
that-
I found a bug in the console. After rendering some text and like pasting it, it just doesn't render anymore. It's just blank, but the text is still there.
Sorry, I'm watching your stream. What? Everything looks normal to me.
Done. Can you see? So I'm spamming text.
I
and
see.
Okay.
No more text, but it's in there.
Oh, okay, yeah. Thanks for that. I'll fix that.
Are the boards
Right?
supposed to be in the center? Like
Oh,
What do you mean?
they're not.
Oh, yeah. I've been seeing that on your stream, Bro Yujo, and no, I have no idea why the hell that's happening. That's not intended.
Oh no, it didn't fix itself. Well,
Yeah, boards have the same placing rules in Logic World as they did in Tongue. It's just that the mechanics for placing them are much more consistent and smooth.
okay.
I
So
think someone could send me a save file and see if I can open a save file because it looks like the issues with making a new one.
So Dan, what happens is if the game doesn't find a save file, then it will copy in a default empty save file. So that shouldn't actually
Well, I'm
be an
wondering if
issue.
that's somehow missing or I can't reference that for whatever reason.
It's hard coded into the game. That should not be happening. What errors are you getting? Is-
So I'm getting exited with code 1. Everything I've sent in the bugs is exactly what I'm getting that's useful to you.
Right.
And also, I don't know if anyone else is having this issue. On startup, the game's opening in Task Manager, like I can see it in Task Manager, and it's staying at 0% processor utilization, 0% RAM usage for like 30 seconds, and then it just instantly comes on with processor use and RAM use.
It's similar to me, except mine never opened. I had like 20 Logic World processes running.
I kept clicking and opening it, but I went into Task Manager, and I'm like, oh, it is open. It's just taking a really goddamn long time to do anything.
Yeah, I just reinstalled Logic World because of that weird stuff.
Okay,
Right.
yeah, that might be a good idea. I'll re-extract it then
Yeah.
and see if that does anything.
Oh,
Yeah, Jimmy, I have
who
no
was
clue.
asking for Linux downloads? I have another Linux
Oh yeah,
download
I
ready.
was asking.
I'll probably get one. I just need to get connected to my new server.
All right, I will send a Linux download to Broyujo and Nano.
Okay.
And just hoping the stream's capturing the game, so I shouldn't have any problem leaking a link because there won't be any.
Oh, I can see your Chrome browser, or Nano. I can see your Chrome browser.
Oh, can you? Okay, that's bad.
I most certainly can.
Oh, you're on Discord. Okay. You can see it through Discord, not Steam.
I don't know what else you're streaming on. If you're
Oh,
streaming
I'm
on Steam.
streaming on you. Okay, yeah. Now I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube.
Okay.
I'm streaming using something else. I'm really impressed about not only my laptop's performance, but the game. The game's running really nicely,
Thank you.
Yeah, it is.
I'm so happy about that.
and
'Cause
Optimization makes Jimmy happy.
It does. Tongue was so plagued by bad optimization. The fact that it's running well is like makes my heart happy.
Okay, Jimmy, I've got a question.
Okay.
Will you add back compatibility?
You mean like
Will
with
we-
tongue saves?
Will we be able to load tongue saves or tongue boards?
We are probably not gonna do that first party, but it should be totally doable for folks to do that themselves because of Stenaudian's lovely board to JSON program.
Oh yes, that's true.
yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and then in Logic World we have a debug option where you can save or load saves and boards as suck. So like if
it would be a JSON to suck converter.
yeah, except like the format isn't exact. Like in like for instance in Tongue the circuit board ID is 0, and in Logic World the ID is mhg.circuitboard.
Tiny
Just-
conversion. Guess.
Yeah. If you want to test out the suck right now, look at a circuit board with either a naked one or one with stuff on it, and open the console. I think the command is save board suck. Type help, and there's a command for saving the board as suck.
Yeah. Also, I've got another bug.
Oh yeah.
Can you see my console?
Yes, I'm watching you right now.
It's outside of the display. I can't resize it down.
Oh, so it is. Hold on, someone's knocking on my door. I'll be right back.
Knock, knock. But the music is really nice. We must
I
say.
do enjoy the music, but I wish I could get the game to run.
Oh, it's not running for you?
Well, the game's running. I can't load a save. It's just
I
and
will-
I
did
keep
you-
getting error code 1.
Did you download .NET Core? I had to do that.
I
didn't have
did.
similar
I
laptop.
downloaded the SDK. I downloaded the runtime. I've tried everything on that page.
Have you restarted, Daniel? Have you restarted your computer?
Restarted my computer since I have installed
.NET Core. Okay.
So I'm getting.
I will build a staircase to the heavens. I will build a staircase to the clouds.
Brilliant.
Yeah, no, I'm still getting code 1, and I posted
no.
in a clipboard paste in the bugs. With the
Thank you.
Simwa's waiting for translation soon.
Great. Yeah, you can tell Kamoa that like we should be starting translations within a week. Or I guess Kamoa can hear me. So hi, Kamoa. We'll be starting translations within a week.
Hey.
Um,
SSH root at.
Daniel, I'm really sorry that the game isn't working for you. I will do what I can to fix it because that sucks.
Try it on one of my other machines.
Sure. Yeah.
Is there any reason the game won't work if I just put the files on a flash drive? Have you
Nope.
coded anything into that? Nope.
Nope.
Okay.
It's all DRM free.
Why does Bobby have no shadow?
Bobby will
real
have a
boy.
shadow. I'd be meaning to add that.
Okay.
Also, I'm gonna ask the real questions. Where are the loot boxes?
Yeah. Where are the loot boxes?
I already asked that. He's been quite quiet about that. I'm waiting for the logic box.
Yeah.
Coming out next, version 1.1.
Oh yeah. Hello, Wild Jarvie. How's it going? How was the
Oh,
post
no,
office?
not him.
There was a lot of people in there for some reason,
Log in.
and they didn't have the form I needed out on the kiosk, so I had to wait in line for the freaking form.
People should just start using email. God.
I tried to
Sure.
fill it out online, but to verify that they know who you are, you have to do some credit card bullshit, and my credit card was being finicky.
Hey, I'm in the server.
I've gotten.
Okay, I'm
Oh,
I'm
it's
heading
over
out
now.
for dinner,
Alright.
so I'll be back momentarily.
It's
All
actually.
right.
Well, not moment, like 15 minutes or so.
Take care,
Jimmy,
Daniel.
If you can
Yes.
try and figure
Sure,
that out
man.
somehow, I don't know.
I will do what I can. Have a good dinner.
I will be back. Bye bye.
Is actually. I think. Jimmy, is this because my logic world is doing weird stuff with boards?
Is what because
This. Like I
your
can.
your staircase or what?
Like, is it normal that boards being placed like this?
No, that is a bug. Boards. Yeah.
On my desktop.
Oh, are you also getting the board being misaligned thing?
Yes, it's like on the corner of the block, but this allows for staircases, so
Jimmy, I just PM'd you.
Vim is not pre-installed onto that virtual machine. Fuck. Sudo isn't either. I need to install everything, but I'm working on getting a server up and running, Jimmy.
Thank you.
Awesome.
But I need to.
When you're done PMing Jarvie, can you look at my stream? We've got a bug, and I don't know how to recreate it.
What is
All right.
Firefox
I'm watching
then?
you now, Nick. Let's see.
This game downloads pretty quick.
Good.
Jimmy,
Yes, Nano.
Simwa is asking for permission from you, if I can send a board file to him.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, Simwa, I'll send one either tonight or tomorrow. Or
awesome.
Jimmy.
Something is definitely happening.
Alright, so
Nick,
how do I
can you
run
open
this?
your
Just launch the
console?
app? Do I need
Oh,
to
sorry,
run
what-
this?
Now, Simwa?
Okay,
Oh no, big error during render update.
so that explains the issues.
Yeah, can you scroll up to the very first error and then copy it with the stack trace?
How do I? Where's stack trace?
The one below it that says like argument exception, something must be above 0. So yeah, and copy that and then paste it in bugs with a brief description of the
God.
bug.
I'm in the game, boys.
Oh my god.
You're in the Game Boy? What the fuck?
I had to change the screen resolution, but can I change that from in-game?
yeah, it's like options menu.
Well, Jimmy, apart from the multiple minor bugs,
So small.
Thank you.
big taps for you.
Okay, why does it say that my monitor aspect ratio is 64 to 27?
Yeah, that's not your monitor aspect ratio, that's the aspect ratio of the resolution. If it says native and that's not your native resolution, then that's a bug.
Well, my native resolution is 2560 by 1080, so that's 21 by 9. It's saying
Right.
61 by 27 or 64 by 27.
Can you use Discord Go Live so I can see what's on your screen?
Oh yeah. Sorry. Let me just mute the audio on this. I'm just gonna get out. I will have time to listen to that later and appreciate it.
Also, I should actually try and change the resolution of the game option.
Alright, I'm live.
Graphics.
Jimmy should be able to see it. Is that,
No, I fell.
Oh, that's so much better.
is that because I'm on borderless window? If I go to
Who knew? Native resolution is better.
that's weird.
Yeah.
Oh, Nano, the audio on your YouTube stream is really clipping out. It's horrible.
Oh, is it that detection level?
Sorry?
Is it the detection level? Or...
I'm making my staircase safer.
Yay.
Cause
Okay, so Jarvie, I just did the math. 2560 by 1080 is actually 64 to 27.
Wait, what?
It should be 21 by.
That should be.
It's not.
well, they will say 21 by 9 because it I think sounds
Yeah,
better and it's more
probably.
concise instead
Right.
of 64 by 27.
Yeah, but it's not precisely that. Here.
Oh.
Yeah, see, the game doesn't have all your marketing
Yeah.
bullshit. The game just does the math.
Yeah.
Here, I'm sending a screenshot in spam.
I guess I'm already.
Nano, I described the issue in general.
Alright, I want to turn off shadows.
Perfect, thanks.
Oh yeah, some of the settings don't work yet.
Make this page.
Yep.
C'est toi qui est pas beau top.
Alright, so how do I wait, does somebody have a multiplayer server up?
Amplifying the audio too much.
Jarvie Nano is working on it.
Okay.
Yeah,
cool.
I'm working on the server right now. I'm installing sudo and there's nothing's installed on it. Unable to fetch sudo. What the fuck? What kind of shit server is that?
Okay, I'm gonna try to stream to Steam and YouTube. I wonder how this will go.
Okay, VI.
Now,
Dot
are you set up
slash.
Steam, stream to Steam right now?
Yeah, I didn't. I wasn't able to.
Jarvie, unfortunately, we don't have Steam streaming set up yet. I will try to have that for you within the next few days.
Okay.
Does anyone know, is the SSHD folder file in Etsy? Am I
What?
correct?
Sorry, what are you asking?
I think Linux questions.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't know anything about
I'll
Linux.
just have a look. I think it's in Etsy. VI.
Okay, well, it seems like most people are like in the game, and there's no more bugs preventing people from playing. What?
Except
Oh yeah,
Nano.
except Daniel.
Fuck Daniel.
Yeah, I'm really confused about what's going on with him.
Dang.
Anyways, my family's having dinner right now, so I'm going to join them. I will see you again in 10 or 20 minutes. Take care, everybody. I love you. I love you so much. Thank you for everything.
Yay!
My screenshot's 9 megabytes. I can't post it. So sad. Well, I can't show the weird off-center boards.
The delay is just me not answering Simwa. And also YouTube delay is pretty bad compared to Twitch. Okay, why am I not able to connect into port 22? Authorized. Anyone good with Linux?
No.
Nope.
Commit root login, yes.
I'm trying to set up.
I don't care, I want password. Password authentication. Yes. I want that. Oh, sudo vi.
I'm gonna try to go live here and see if it works.
Oh no, I think the boards are doing weird things up here. Okay. Well, I don't know if this is normal. I think that it is. I think that is normal, but yes, it's fine.
Okay, YouTube sees my stream.
This staircase.
Okay.
Okay, almost to the world corner.
Alright,
Yeah,
I'm
I'll
gonna
still be
go
on Discord.
live.
I just need to install Vim, and then I should pretty much be able to get the server up and running. Install Vim, yes.
Why does it say it's waiting for me? I should be streaming. Why is YouTube not able to maintain? What? Why won't YouTube see my stream? Why does it say my stream is poor? Is it because?
Oh, there is bad stuff happening at this height. Okay, yeah, the movement is like very limited now. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, it's actually fine. Okay, well.
Okay. Why is there nobody good with Linux when I need someone good with Linux? Just go to Google.
Why won't it let me? What the fuck is?
Maybe you're not meant to play the game.
No, I'm trying to stream and I'm having an issue.
Okay.
Settings, video, output, rescale output. Yeah, it's rescale to 1920.
Oh no, I lost my stream. My stream.
Let's try streaming again. I think it was the resolution. It doesn't like my 21 by 9.
We will test circuits up at high altitudes.
Okay. Also, I built the first adder, guys.
Wow, congrats, you built an RCA.
Nice.
Built an ICA.
Yes, I did. It's amazing. It's way faster than anything you could have ever built on Minecraft. So fuck you.
What is it? 1 tick per cell or something? Or do you mean like just at the rate you could run it?
Or just a rate you can run it. Also, it is probably faster. There's the 1 tick XORs and
Okay.
AND gates. Oh, XORs and AND gates synchronized. Oh, Jimmy, I love.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
How great is that?
Oh, everything's synchronized. Oh my god, yes.
I mean, except for fucking relays, right? Am I right?
I'm actually really sure we can get an instant carry adder up and running, but I've been waiting to get a server to get an instant carry adder on that.
You can put when you post your stream link on my channel, you can put that in the uploads in the resources tab.
Okay, so I installed that. Glance. Because I'm planning to launch the server and have it run 24/7.
I'm just sharing the
Oh.
link everywhere so I can get it up and going. I'm going to. Post
Why
it.
do you have an IPv6 link? IP. What the fuck? I don't want that.
Me?
No, me. But why is it IPv6? I don't know how to use IPv6.
You just put in what extra? Fucking 4.
SSH root at random string network
Alright, so
ping.
now it's time to actually play the fucking
Invalid
game.
argument. Oh, that might be the one.
Options, video settings. I want to go to no options. Borderless windows. No, I want window. Okay.
Something's happening.
Single player. How do I? Oh, sandbox. Start new game. Wait, how do I start a new game? Load game. Hey, how do you start a game?
You press the tilde to get open the command prompt or what, and then you have to do load save all one word and then the name of your world.
So make a new one is basically what you're saying. So
Yeah, cause
It will load the world if the world already exists.
yeah, and
oh no,
it'll just make a.
integrated server exit.
Do you have .NET Core installed?
I don't know what that is.
Okay, install it.
What is,
Yeah.
Uh.
SSH copy ID root app, I think.
Just do the .NET.
.NET Core 3.1.
Yeah, and then download .NET Core runtime,
Okay.
and then yeah, just install it.
Direction.
X64. Well, if you're on that screen.
Oh yeah, I got the right version. I'm installing it now. But what does this do? What is it for? Is that just for networking? I'm assuming. .NET.
Jimmy said.
Successful. Okay. I will relaunch beta.
Okay.
Alright, I finally have a logical shortcut on my taskbar for you.
Good.
That's how you know you made it in life, right?
You made it in your life.
Yeah, nobody's in my stream.
Time to make the first very bad.
Oh, did not save the music settings I had. Options, that's not good. It didn't. It also didn't save the resolution. It didn't save any of the settings I had. Uh-oh. Maybe something.
I'll go back to Logic One. And start building. Oh, also we don't have blue pegs.
So yeah, okay, it didn't save my game. So how do I? So open up the command prompt, type in load save one world, the name of the game. So I'll call that Logic Test. All right, and then press enter, I assume.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this time it's okay. Allow access. Yes.
What was the board
Hey,
menu key
boys.
again?
Okay, you're in.
Yeah, we're in. So, but is fly
Okay.
enabled by default? Oh, double space is fly. Okay, nice. This feels very weird moving. I need to turn up my field of view. There's no field of view. Okay, Jimmy. I cannot play on 90 field of view.
Oof.
It feels like my nose is at the screen. Alright, Jimmy, I gotta... Somebody asked if I'm a serious gamer. No, dude, I'm a fucking nerd. Like, Jesus. They're all fucking retarded servers too. Most of them are trading servers. An MMA server, a Redstone server, all trading servers, and a nano shitty top red French server.
Fuck you. Also tight.
Okay, good song.
Okay, so
tell them that.
Do relays pass? Okay, so the top is the inhibition of the relay, I would guess. Um.
Hey, okay, we got some good stream. Alright, so what's my inventory button? You press Q and E to rotate the compass, so you can decide where your heading is that you want. That's neat.
The dish
At least Q and E was doing that for me. Now it's
cutting
not.
and
Sometimes. Why is it? Sometimes Q and E works to rotate it, and sometimes it doesn't. What the fuck? You guys notice that?
yes, I already reported that to Jimmy.
How do you go down? Shift?
Yep.
Shift is not working for me. I can only go up, not down. Double tap space.
Yes, that's because you didn't get good. So maybe if you tried getting goods.
Yeah,
Why can you press Q and E on levers?
Bro, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fly. Oh, this looks really weird. This is a lot different from Tongue already. Okay, this is too. Yeah, I don't like this mouse movement. It feels
I
like
don't.
it feels
Typical
like
Jarvie moment. I don't like that.
it's nerfed down. As you get closer to an item, like your movement is nerfed. Your
No, but the thing I would complain about is the fact that the item gets highlighted when you can't click it. Like,
so somehow it sees it, but it won't.
yeah, you can see the item to highlight it, but you're just not close enough to click it and space it.
This mouse setting. What if I turn up my sensitivity a lot? It does not help.
Try and reproduce.
Oof, no. That,
Jarvie, hello. Settings for field of view and mouse sensitivity coming in the next beta version.
okay, dope. I'm having a hard time here.
Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry about that.
Oh, where did my items disappeared? Oh.
Yeah,
is it
press
all-
caps lock to toggle the placing ghost.
Oh, okay, dope. Neat. What other? There's a lot of things I'm missing. Probably. There's like double density pegs. I saw that. How do you?
Yep, hold control while you place a peg.
Oh.
Dang.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh
Now,
fuck.
how do
What?
you do that multi-wire?
Okay, so for multi-wire placing, just place a bunch of pegs in a line. You can press control and then left click and then drag left click to place a whole bunch of pegs in a line.
I made an indestructible peg, Jimmy.
Oh dear, that's not good. Okay, so
Yeah.
Jarvie, so you have two lines of pegs that you want to connect?
Okay, let me generate the other one.
Yeah, I'm watching. Okay, so press and hold right click between the first and last peg of the first group.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay.
Yeah, okay. No. Okay, so you have one row of pegs. Yeah, next one. Okay, now hold control. Now release right click. Now do
Oh,
the same thing on the next group.
This peg is very broken.
Boom, there you go.
Okay. That is very powerful.
It is. I've been trying to think of a better UI for it because, as you've seen, it's not a super intuitive user interface. So let me know
No,
if you think of
it
something.
works.
Okay.
I like that.
This world is broken
Thank
now.
you. I'm sorry to hear that, Broyujo. If you can find steps to reproduce breaking a world, that would be extremely helpful.
You hold control and you put a, is it like a, I don't know, it's a blocker on a peg.
Exclusive peg.
Yeah, if you make the peg exclusive, then it just breaks and you can't, none of your keys work
I just-
anymore.
Oh, okay.
How do you
If
make
you
a peg exclusive? You right click on it?
left click on it, Broyujo, if you reload your save, then that should fix the issues. I think maybe.
Yeah, I
Also,
just,
can you can you put that in the bugs channel so I can remember to get to it?
Uh-oh, the stream isn't updating, apparently. Wait, why does it say my stream is poor?
Because you're a bad streamer, LMAO.
YouTube
Yeah.
just always says it's poor. I don't know why.
Like I made sure it's out.
Oh, okay. This is the. Oh, what the heck?
What's
wait,
going on?
Wait a second. This is. I'm very confused now. Just like I made this peg broken. Like
Yes, I'm looking at your broken peg,
This is
but
the-
with the
I somehow
Jimmy
a,
2020,
somehow a lot of pegs were placed behind me. without
yes, I had the same bug.
without me even being there.
Hey guys, should
Hey,
we just
Jarvie.
move to the other Logic World channel and use that?
Oh,
for
this is
feedback?
very broken
And
too.
still report the bugs in this one.
sure, yeah, that's higher quality voice
And
chat
all-
actually.
Well, because
all-
then I could stream there, because Nitro wants to watch it. My YouTube streaming is like not being good.
Yeah, totally. Let's all move to the main Logic World Discord.
Okay, cool. I'm glad it's okay.
All these pegs are also off-centered. It's like very cursed. Okay, yeah, I have to Alt F4 out of this because
Alright, I'm gonna switch over to the Logic World Discord.
hello.
Alright.
All right, I can hear you. Yes.
Alright.
Hello.
Hello, Nitro.
Nitro?
Hi, Jimmy. And Pipe and Wild Jarvie and Nick and Bro Yo-Yo and everyone.
Hello, everybody.
Yes, hello.
YouTube
What
is
is
not working
it?
for me to stream.
Yes, I must open.
Alright, so how do we get new items in our inventory?
Press tab.
Oh, tab is the item menu. Okay.
Hey, did it save my resolution? It might have.
Oh, that's cool. You can just add it right down there. That's neat.
Yep,
It
and you
did
can
say
also,
that.
Jarvie, put items like in between other items. I'm actually really proud of how they all just kind of wiggle out of the way.
Oh, so you can just like,
Put it in like,
Sweet.
yeah, like that.
Shove it in there.
oh, I'm gonna fuck around with.
Hey, Broyojo, you're just streaming your Explorer window.
Oh, oof. Is my Explorer window named? Yeah, I. Oh, it's actually
Now
my
we can see
Explorer
his
window.
history.
Yes. Okay, here's a Logic World.
You said that the layers are fucked, so I'm not gonna fuck with those.
Okay, it isn't broken. Oh, this peg is yeah, same thing as Nano. It's unbreakable.
Layers, that's nice.
How do you get an unbreakable peg?
I don't understand. This was very broken already. What and I the
Right.
same was,
And
and then
this is why we're beta testing.
Alright, so
and
Exactly.
then I went out, and now there's this unbreakable peg, and this was all caused from this control thing. Okay.
Oh, that's
Right.
the thing. My
gone.
shift doesn't work.
To sprint, you mean?
No, to go down.
It's control. Oh, it's C. Yeah.
Yes,
C.
you see.
Oh.
There you
C for
go.
crouch. Old style.
Exactly.
What does shift do then?
Sprint.
Go faster.
Oh, so you can be
Parkour.
sprinting in the air? Oh,
Indeed, you
nice.
can.
I noticed that
Okay.
immediately that you could sprint in the air, and I was just orgasming, basically.
Yeah, we saw.
I'm glad you
Oh,
approve.
the board is, oh, I see it. Oh.
Yeah.
How do I
I want to
move
see
it?
how broken the layers are.
They're not that broken. Just like they don't work properly, and if you try to build a circuit with precise timing, it'll be bad.
This is yeah 3 seconds, I guess. Well,
How do I add
3,000.
a blank
It's
a blank
dependent.
hand? Oh, I see.
It'll be like. Should take
How
10
do I-
Jarvie,
seconds.
press G. Press G for grab.
Oh.
And the
Okay.
beautiful thing is, if you have wires on the board while you grab it and move it, then the wires stay connected.
Yes, like
Okay.
yes, moving. When you move boards and so when you move boards that have connections to other boards, their connections stay, right?
How do I paint the board? Is that
Yeah,
a
that
sheet?
was.
So
Painting?
you open the board menu. So it's forward mouse button on the board.
Oh, okay, there.
Wait,
Although
what's the board?
it's so like your mouse should have
I know I'm pressing forward.
hold on.
Oh, like the forward backward buttons.
Yeah.
Mouse 4 and 5.
Hey, there you go. Okay. Wow.
Color picker.
How do I?
Yes, not
Oh,
yeah,
good
there's-
for me.
Save some color.
There's some issues with the color picker right now. I need to fix those.
This is so amazing.
Yeah, it wants to fuck with my other ones.
Okay, well,
Although,
let me
as long
do
as
this.
because I have it set for. Oh, okay, I see what's going on here.
Radioactive green.
Yeah, I just wanted to stand the fuck out.
This edit button thing on the key is sort of broken. How do I
This weird XOR.
type on it? Oh, it's just white now. How much key?
Multiple keys next to each other.
Sorry, two people asked a question at once.
Yes, they just clip into each other. How much key sounds can we do?
What do you mean? How much key sounds?
We make like 1,000 of these keys when we press the.
Oh dear, I had not considered that possibility.
So there's
Let me know
is
how
there
it
no
goes.
sound limit?
I think the hard limit is 400 simultaneously playing sounds.
Okay.
I know if you hook up a one-tick clock to a noisemaker, it sounds pretty great. Just kidding.
Okay, this is already sort of getting bad.
That sounds amazing.
Oh no. Why?
I'm not used to the crouch thing. I might change my.
For some reason, these keys looked like they were lacking behind these last two.
Broyujo, I can't like
Oh.
like this. Your stream on YouTube has like a 60-second delay between when you speak and when we
Oh.
see what happens.
Yeah, this is
So
true.
like,
He's also on Discord.
Yeah.
Oh, I love how it gives you saves your.
you streaming on Discord?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't notice.
YouTube is just
can you
for
sh-
archive. Pretty much.
Oh my god, I forgot how fucking beautiful the music is. Oh my god, Marku, you wizard genius man.
I don't know
Is
what
there no
key
clip?
this is. I actually don't
Not yet,
know.
Jervy.
I actually don't
Is
know
there
what
free
key.
flying?
What?
Wait, this key seems to be triggering at random. Like any key that like
You've
oh,
you bound it to something, but
D,
you colored
okay,
it
it's
white
D.
so you can't see what
it's
it is.
D. Oof.
Jimmy, what's the no clip?
Oh, there isn't no clip yet.
Oh, okay.
Oh god, Broyujo, that's...
Oh god.
I'm actually proud of how much that sounds like an actual lot of keys being pushed at once.
I know.
Yes.
Can you wire them
Um,
to delays?
Delayers are like broken right now, so you
Oh.
can, but
But then you would get like you could trigger all of them with delays, and it would sound like typing on a keyboard.
Yeah. You,
true, yes. I mean, if you just like edited them to have keyboard keys, Broyujo, you don't have to place them all individually. Hold Control while you press left click and drag, and you can like
Ooh,
place a
great
shit ton at
placement.
once. Yes.
Oh yes.
No.
Oh my
don't-
god.
How do I resize the board now that I'm looking at it?
Okay.
V.
There is some obvious lag.
Yeah.
Like-
Oh,
So
I'll have to look into that. Yeah,
Some weird behavior right here.
that is weird.
Yes.
Try pulsing
my
it
God.
multiple times.
I think this might be rendering. And I don't.
Yeah, that's definitely the circuitry is fine. It's just the rendering. I'll look into that.
Is this too much ear rape?
Okay.
You're trusting your circuitry quite a lot. We'll see about that. Code.
Oh no.
Oh no.
What
Oh,
have you
God.
taught him?
This is beautiful.
Good.
Now
We
my
were better
AND
off when we
gate
placed
at
them
this
one by one.
Has to go to all of the ones in front of it. Okay.
Okay, press it.
I'm going to-
Oh boy.
Jimmy, this is beautiful.
That sounds like you're in a tunnel type.
Okay. More. How about?
Why
The
not
circuit
place them on the
doesn't
board?
Line up with the board on the floor, which is.
I can try, yeah.
every single time.
Yeah,
So-
place them on the board, then just duplicate the board.
Oh, that unbreakable peg is in the way.
Oops.
There. Oh. Is this what?
It didn't work.
I think you've got
oh.
the same bug I had.
Oh,
Wow,
that,
lag.
On the board.
Oh,
that was lag. What is? Okay,
Crazy lag.
I'm confused.
How is?
Wait, I think
Take
the
a
board.
picture.
Okay, yeah. So yeah,
Make sure you get a picture of like that.
this okay. But
Hi, Pipe. I didn't realize you were.
is there some sort of in-game screenshot thing, Jimmy?
I think F2 or F3.
Oh.
There'll be a sound when. Yep, there you go.
Oh,
How do I
okay.
And
copy
then-
the board?
Hold Control while you press G on it.
Empty hand, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Did you see what he was able to do, Jimmy?
Sorry,
Yeah,
where?
I think the. Oh my
Right,
God,
yeah.
this lag. Okay,
He, show him the board.
look, it's like
Oh yeah,
I-
I saw that. I don't know what's going on. I'll have a look at it.
the board. I think the board placed like in the lag period that these buttons,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
these keys were being pressed.
Exactly, because the validity checks to check like, are you allowed to place something there? That happens only client side. There's no server verification. So
Ooh.
yeah.
Hackers. Careful, Jimmy.
Now you can place keys on it and duplicate the board.
Okay, Jimmy,
Yes.
I have two questions here.
Now it's,
on my
like,
stream, you'll be able
very
to see my
lagging.
cursor.
All right, I'm connecting to your stream now, Jarvie. I am now
My
watching your
cur-
screen.
Okay, my cursor is pointing at this block.
Yep.
But the baseboard is placed on that block.
Perfect.
Yeah, I see. I've seen that with
Okay.
a number of beta testers. I don't know why it's
Oh, this
doing
is-
that.
Are the
But I'll
Yeah,
keys
that's
do
the
it.
range.
are the keys just not rendering? Is there like a render radius?
No. I want to add a render radius.
Like over
Um,
there,
Right,
like
you remember there's
oh,
a-
this is interesting.
This is horrible. Never do this again. Jesus Christ.
this is interesting. This is
The
horrible.
boards don't line up. Is that known?
This is like
Yeah.
rapid
so
key
Jarvie,
pressing.
it's the same bug with the board not being placed on the square you're looking at.
oh, okay. This is weird.
What?
Maybe render
How is that
issue.
possible?
Ignore it for now.
Render issues,
Yeah.
maybe. Well, oh, I can't even place stuff. It's lagging too much.
It stored all the key presses in an input buffer.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna move to the other voice chat with Daniel so we can figure out his bug with. Thank you.
Oh, okay. It actually placed my lights. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's.
I think
crazy input
there were
lag.
2 lights inside each other just now. I think
this is gonna work so good.
so.
Oh my god.
What happens?
Now we will see. Okay, will it actually when it does break? Okay.
Yeah, so when it goes back again, try multiple presses.
Oh, okay. I think
Okay. It's just lag. It's input lag.
okay. I think
Well,
yeah,
that
that
one was
was
besides
3
boards
presses.
already.
So I mean still unbreakable peg. So that means more keys.
How do I move or how do I resize
So-
the board again?
Just control click. What is the copy?
That's Control G.
I point at a
How do
board.
you resize the board?
It's like V maybe.
Yes, V. Thank you. That's what it was. Good call. All right. Yeah, I think insta carry is gonna be super easy to do it right now. C,
Yeah.
Let's see. Control G.
Okay.
Pop that fucker in right. Oh fuck. You seriously?
This
Oh,
is apparently
thanks.
allowed.
What?
All right, we'll just
What?
build a test version right now.
And it's like it's not even in the center of the block. It's like offset.
You seriously broken the game already. But that's cool, kinda.
Yes, we'll just have lights.
Oh, you can make exclusive pegs on relays. I don't know what that use is, but
Oh,
figure
what?
that out. Yeah.
Like on the end of the relay or the top?
Yeah. Both.
Whoa! I don't know if you're supposed to be able to do that on the end of the relay.
I like it.
Maybe?
Don't tell him.
No, because if you can do that on the end of the relay, that acts as an instant diode.
There's like-
and I think that breaks stuff.
No, it doesn't.
There's like
No?
there's like a
No,
sphere of
it's
influence with
totally
these
valid.
keys.
Both ways.
Both ways.
What have
That
you
doesn't
made,
make
bro,
sense.
yo?
Yeah, try out.
Yeah, it's just-
Try out the diode. How does it know which direction to block from if you have?
Look kind of interesting. Like
Well, an exclusive
Sphere.
input is supposed to still hear stuff,
Okay.
does not say stuff.
Yeah, so it does nothing. It's like not
So-
having input.
oh boy, that place sound.
Let me see.
More lag. So
Yeah, the exclusive.
This-
input is just a
okay.
thing that does nothing.
yes, it goes around it.
It's literally just a peg that does nothing.
So, what were you able to do with the
Huh?
You could put a
Wait a second.
exclusive
It's
input
like-
on.
I mean, they're just pegs
Okay,
that do
I'm-
nothing. I don't know why you'd want to disable an input, but their inputs disabled. But I think this
Amazing.
might work here.
Look, this is like delayer. This is in-game delayers with keys. The delay is pretty inconsistent, but it's a delayer anyway.
Yeah, when you pulse it, it actually delays because of the lag.
Yeah. So
Briojo, every time I look at your stream, it's worse.
oh, it's
I
okay.
still think panels inverters should be a thing. Why won't it let me place a through? Oh, are those not working right now? The panel switches.
Oh yeah,
Uh,
through stuff is not really working right now.
Okay.
Rip. I don't think that would be too hard to fix.
Briojo, you should try to like abuse the lag and try to place stuff inside other stuff.
Okay, yes,
Mm.
I'll do that. So I'll spam the button a lot, and then I'll try placing stuff.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello.
Okay, now it is getting bad. Ugh. Frame rate 20 FPS.
What's your PC?
Are you two both in the beta for Logic World?
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah, guys,
they
are you
are.
really playing the beta of Logic World?
Yeah.
Wow,
No, not
that's so cool.
I don't.
It's like the one. Wait, I thought you said
Wow.
I
no
don't.
beta
I
test,
love
Easy.
right?
I don't think there's enough lag.
Wow.
I'm building an
Oh,
Instacarrier
actually,
here.
I can't even place. I can't even place.
No,
Okay,
I
yeah.
nearly
I think
finished one, but
I think I'm abusing the lag right now. Okay, now let me place lots of these where I place the boards so I can
Yes,
break.
place them inside other ones.
Yeah.
Mm.
Dang.
Okay, now wait a minute, 5 minutes, and see what happens.
Okay. We probably have to wait. Yeah.
I
It,
don't know if that should be XOR or XNOR.
this is still pulsing.
I think it should be XNOR. It should cut.
Imagine the noise if you delay the singers.
Oh. Hello?
Hmm.
Okay, I don't know why, but for some reason it cuts out my voice whenever I try to watch the stream.
Oh, I can hear you now.
Yeah, we can hear you.
I don't know why.
Abusing lag to do illegal stuff.
It's
Hacks.
fine.
Hackers on Logic World already?
Never.
This is some type of hacking, though.
I mean, what kind
They're
of
so good.
By reverse engineering the system, we can find Jimmy's PayPal.
And
Also,
give him free
I-
money.
This is like a weird thing. I have it here.
I'm in his PayPal account.
For some reason, this thing happened, which I don't know why. I think it should have been just straight lines. But, okay, yes, whatever.
Yeah, Jimmy, Java, the relay really acts like just a piston
Yeah.
with
Yeah, it's perfect. It will work.
it will work.
Still
We'll be able to make a 64-bit instant carry adder.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
So for me, I'm going straight to floating point.
Yeah, I think we can do some pretty bad.
Okay, it
I
worked.
think
Oh,
straight
wow,
to-
that's broken.
Uh-oh,
It is very
I can't
broken.
scroll.
Good.
I can't scroll anymore.
straight to floating point, straight
there we go,
to
never mind, never mind.
FPU, and then use the FPU to do stuff.
Okay, I think that's the only broken thing, but yeah, this is broken. Very worth it. Getting boards inside keys.
That's amazing.
We're really
Just
trying to fuck with
pretend
the game.
that I'm not.
Can you wire them?
Maybe. Let me get. Okay. I need to get.
Alright, so here's my carrion.
Oof. This is
You
like
should be able to place them on there.
Carrion is default
here.
0.
No,
and
it's like
then
it like can.
No.
Oh,
there.
What's
Darn.
that?
this
there-
might work, boys and girls.
Oh no, I pressed it again. It's where is it? Mounts. I'll see if mounts work.
You guys want to see the first instant carry-adder?
Looks like
Can't wire them.
they might. I think they're
Shall
colliding
I
with
really?
these.
Oh, you got it? Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if yours worked.
It can be
The
wired.
first carry adder. Yeah.
No, not carry adder. Instant carry. Way better.
Instant.
And that's the only kind of adder
Whoa.
we're gonna use.
Yeah, we kind of needed it otherwise.
Yeah.
That that delay. Jeez.
It almost feels
You guys
like
are watching
the
this
stream
stream,
is
I'm
lagging.
probably wondering-
Sudo system CTL enable
Yeah, it
SSH.
drops to 29
Oh, tell me
FPS.
it works. Yes. I think it works.
Okay, I have to go eat dinner quickly, so you can just. I'll just
Bio
leave the
break.
stream on. So,
These
bye
are
then.
text source at the end, that's right.
Bye.
Peace out.
Bye bye.
Alright,
Bye-bye.
super. No, what the fuck? Why is that not cutting the signal? Oh, a 1 means it's on. Oh, I thought I input.
Oh.
Okay. I purposely inverted those. Okay, cool.
Okay. Sudo system
Engage in
CTL
slow clap.
start SSH. Did that work?
No, I just didn't want to hit myself in the head with my table.
Doesn't work. Why you no work?
Why you do this?
No, I'll give you a slow clap.
Was that your penis on your desk?
What? Exposed.
No.
That's what someone.
No, I was hitting my head with my hand.
Yeah. That's what they all say.
P-doped.
What the fuck says that?
Uh,
Seriously, who the fuck says
Alright,
that?
boys.
who doesn't?
You want to see my insta carry
You.
adder?
Yes.
So you could say that?
How do I change the tick rate down to like really slow so I can see if it's actually like?
Okay.
Console window, maybe command.
Yeah, but what is the? I don't know. Help. Hey!
It works. Now you gotta find the tick rates.
I don't know what any of this shit is. Board, echo.
Enable SSH. Sudo system start SSH.
Not board shit. All audio shit.
I'm
Server
into
stuff.
audio shit.
Not what I'm looking for.
Server command, maybe.
Tick rate.
I'm into audio shit.
Well, we don't care about your orientation.
I don't see anything that looks like any sort of like.
Jovi, I'll wait the
GPS or
command on text. 1 second.
Yeah, we'll wait for Jimmy.
No, he just said he'll send a command to you.
Oh. Is that
One,
is that-
2A. Okay.
Sudo apt
One, two.
update.
Okay. So guys, let's see this. Ready? One.
Wait.
One.
Wait. Go
I
ahead.
want to
He-
see if this works.
Jarvie, he's sending you the
No,
command.
rip. Oh, that block. I didn't connect that wire.
Yes,
There we go.
Java.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Okay, boys, and we gotta carry out.
5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. You did not do a 5 plus 3.
Yeah,
7.
first I checked to make sure the carry worked, but yeah, 5 plus 3 is the most vital.
5 plus 3 is the best.
Wait, how do I do it?
It's the MVP of additions.
Yeah, it is. 5, 3 does.
Most
everything.
valuable
What the
player.
fuck?
Wow! Do you really know how to use binary?
Oh, I have this.
Wow! Wow!
Three is 8. But I wanted to test the instant carry part, so. But that is beautiful. I mean, that looks instant to me.
Well,
Bro, instant carry adders are now.
Instant. Wow! Mind blown.
Oh my god, guys. We don't need to build CLA adders anymore. Nobody needs to learn CLA.
Such binary. Much.
No, this just
Subtract.
means you don't have to build a CLA table. Like, if you saw
Jarvis.
my ALU on my previous CPU,
Jarvis hype.
the CLA table is the biggest pain in the ass to build, and I didn't even build it. The credit goes out to Mr. IO for that. Like, that guy's a genius. He was able to do that, and I was like, I did not feel like figuring that out.
But that's awesome.
But
Okay,
you don't have to build those now. Just use they're literally pistons. Oh, that's so nice.
Okay, stop getting off on that, Jarvi.
Dude, I literally can't. Sorry.
No, but you don't know what that entails.
Like everything is now small. Like, this is just me fucking around, right? But this could be so compact. Speaking of which, let's do it.
Let me just set up a server before
Oh my
starting
God.
building real shit.
Yeah, I'm just gonna like get an idea of what I could do here. Alright,
Hey,
like how
I
it
told
goes,
you
right,
you
of
could do
course.
it. You said, oh, you can't do it.
Yeah, I
you
was thinking.
diodes."
I was thinking I needed the diode, but no,
No,
you're
you don't.
absolutely right.
You
I was
you
just
just
glad
need
I
one
was glad
diode,
to-
and
I was
that
so glad to be
diode is
wrong.
the
Don't get me
XOR.
wrong. Like, don't like. I was still very happy to be wrong about that. Oh fuck! What is it? V Control V. There you go. Board resizing.
Ooh, that's we do get custom cursors.
Why can't I resize my board?
You can only resize boards when they're in the direction they don't have components.
Dude, no, I just broke it.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so I need to try and get that server up and running, but I can't SSH into it.
Why can't you? Uh-oh, the game
Because
just
I
broke.
didn't set up the SSH correctly, probably.
Alright, let me relaunch.
Sudo vim etc sshd underscore config. So no one's good with Linux here.
I mean, I kind of know my way around, but not that well.
No, you
What
don't.
do you need to do? What do you need to do? I mean, I can Google my way through enough to know.
I can Google my way through as well, but
Okay, but I can help you Google that.
okay.
Let
So
me Google that for you.
permit root login. Yes. Fuck security. Public key authentication.
Oh, I
I
just
don't care about that. Who uses security anyway? Password authentication. Yes.
Do you work in bank management?
Set this to yes to enable PAM authentication.
Okay.
Oh
every
my
time
gosh.
I relaunch the game,
And
that's-
right, quit. Okay. On Ubuntu desktop, you may use gedit instead of Nano. Who the fuck uses gedit? Oh god, use Vim.
every time I have to go in here, turn off the audio. Turn
IP
off the
assigned
shading.
IP. SSH. Woo. And into that IP. It does not work.
Uh-oh, it lost the game.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Wait, no, oh wait, I have to load it still. Wait, load,
IPv.
save, logic. Let's see if this works. Says if it finds it. Hey, no, it found it, okay.
So make a minimized version of it. If you can resize the board now.
Yeah, hopefully. I gotta figure out how to do it.
Oh, apparently.
Okay, you
That's
can
what-
only resize a board where it doesn't have components. Right now, at least.
Yeah, I can
It makes sense. You're not gonna resize where there are components.
What did you do? You
But
broke
no,
it!
Like I just broke. Oh, can this be exploited though?
That's really bad.
You broke
Oh,
it!
fuck. Fuck. Let's try again.
What?
No, it won't do it. It won't do it.
Oh, okay. It shouldn't allow the animation, probably.
Alright, so I guess I just have to do a new board then.
Can't you resize it the other way to the left? The left side to the left?
Why do these boards do not line up whatsoever? They literally all refuse to line up.
Well, get good.
Okay, there we go.
Oh no. Souls game. Get good.
Mm,
Oh, maybe it's because I was holding a component in my hand. No.
No, just that one side can be resized.
Alright, but like, what if I resized it originally on this board?
Could try it.
I really haven't been paying attention to my stream, but it's fine.
Alright, we'll just rebuild it, boys. Alright, so I gotta do that whole inventory bullshit again.
Okay.
I just need that.
You don't have to. You can pick them from in-game, I think.
I can save them, like, cause
Yeah, you
everything
can
on
save
my
them
settings
into
have not
your-
been saving at all recently, so.
Oh. On the LVV, he showcased that you can pick components from in-game and save them to the hotbar.
Oh, that's right. What is that? What's the pick bar button? Middle click?
Yeah, I think so. One of the mouse buttons.
I don't have my middle click barely works, so I don't think it's gonna work for me. Shit. So I will get rid of this board. How do I get rid of it? T. Oh wait, what if I grab it and then escape? No, grab it.
Nope.
And get it, yeet it somewhere else.
Didn't it work if you pushed T? Grab board and T?
Yeah, just yeet it, Jawai.
I didn't try T. That's a good idea. All right, so if I can make things smaller but not bigger, I think we're gonna go for that.
That's what I do with my girlfriend.
No homo there.
Haha.
Hi, some of us don't have girlfriends. I mean, I do, but you know.
Yeah, I do too.
Jerry.
What's up?
I'm fucking.
Whoa.
Whoa, is that allowed?
I don't know.
Can you wire them?
No, it wouldn't let me there, but
Oh.
like maybe that one would connect.
Illegal Lego tricks. Building
If
tricks.
that worked, then it would be
Wait, can you wire the inputs together?
Whoa. Yeet.
Yeet.
What happens if I move this up? And can I connect that to the yes? And can I connect that? Yeah. And can I connect that? Nope. Useless.
Okay.
We want to do this one to there. That makes some sense. Okay. So now my AND gate has to be yeeted into this thing. And we're gonna say pass it through vertical. Default. And if it passes through vertical, somehow this guy has to get chained into the output. Alright, what if we do?
Can you resize it now?
I probably could. But first, having these XOR blocks is mad useful, man. take the carry in that. If the through things worked, that would be mad nice, but they don't, so I'm gonna have to figure my way out through this. I'll do that.
Oh, remember you can put pegs on top of the board edges.
Hey, the board resizing work there. So I want to get that thing there.
Oh, fuck.
Wait.
It's not lining up.
How do I delete that?
T.
It's not.
Okay. Backspace or delete or.
G and eat. Hey,
That worked.
Shit.
Are you trying to make it go?
Yeah, so it would line up and go into the next one. It's got to get around because I can't cut. I can't cut out.
Can
this
you
corner, these four
Can't you
blocks.
just place it on top of the board?
Actually, wait.
The
What
peg?
if I delete this? Wait. If I control V.
Jarvie.
Shit. Wait. Hold on 1 second. Shit. Control V. It won't let me do that. T. Okay, there we go. Control V. Bring that 2 sizes over. It won't do it because that has to be moved.
Hey, Jimmy.
Hello.
Hi, Jimmy.
I'm figuring this out.
Yeah.
Oh, but it won't realign. Oh, that's the shitty part about doing that.
Do you have a tip for Jarvie? He's trying to make.
Like, I just want these 4 to be up here.
Jarvie, I want that too.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's reassuring. Okay.
Yeah. Obviously that's a bug.
No, it'll still line up for what I needed to do. But yeah, we have instant carry adders, Jimmy. Thank you.
Fuck yeah.
We don't need
Thank
to go
you.
carry. Look at this.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's so sexy.
Oh wait, and Pipe gave me a command. Wait.
To adjust the tick rate, yeah.
So now we can actually see if that's. Oh.
So much better.
That is beautiful.
We get off.
Progress.
Jarvie, again, thank you so much for having those discussions with me and helping me figure out how to implement a component that does that. I'm so happy that relays are in the game.
I'm so glad it works. These pegs where you can.
Exclusive pegs.
Yeah, those are not really super useful, but the relays
Really?
are super useful. Yeah.
I'm glad you like the relays. I'm surprised you don't find the exclusive pegs useful, because when I'm building stuff, although I'm not nearly as skilled as you are, I use them all the time.
But
It's
do
just
you
like-
use them on the component blocks?
If you set it to that, like, there's no way to toggle if this locks or not, and that's basically what the relay does.
Right, but it's more for like I'm trying to think
To
of how
run
to
more
do.
signals?
Yeah. So exclusive pegs are not designed for the situation you're showing right there. They're designed for making your circuitry compact. So like, okay, place down just a.
Oh, so it's like a blotter thing, but okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, it's designed for inputs that are like attached to components, like the input on top of an inverter.
Well, I'm back.
Wait,
Hello,
I'm
Nano.
still kind of confused.
Well,
Okay,
hello.
So if I were to connect.
I decided to reinstall the server. It would be easier to just bug fix.
All right. Yeah.
The
Okay.
voice
So
chat is
now,
blowing up.
so
Are you guys
now,
hearing my
Jarvie,
microphone?
I can hear you, Daniel.
Yes.
Okay, because it's working for 5 seconds, and then it's just like, no, I don't think I will. So
Okay, Jarvie, don't make any pegs exclusive unless they're on top of components. Yeah. Okay, now connect like. How do I describe this? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna build something in the game and send a screenshot. Hold on.
That's good.
Go girl.
I do go, girl.
Pip, you're being really quiet. Don't let Jimmy intimidate you.
He'll be.
Oh, he's sitting behind him with the whip.
Yeah.
Oh, you know it.
Oh, you know it.
Pipe
He's
and
a
I have an
very intimidating
extremely.
person.
hmm
Free Pip.
Pipe and I have an extremely tense relationship.
If you can call it a relationship, yeah.
Might be abusive.
What was about?
Just a guess. Just a guess.
Okay. Oh.
No.
Jarvi trying to figure out how it lines up, and it doesn't work.
It just doesn't want to work.
I am cringing right now.
I'm sorry.
Please.
Okay, that will definitely be fixed in the next beta version. I'm sorry
Jarvi,
about that.
If you build one of those and then build underneath it, that would make it line up.
Oh no.
Jimmy,
Yes, Daniel.
I broke your music menu. Everything now is
Daniel,
just
why?
it's just making a very very loud vibrating noise. Anything I click.
I don't want to know TMI.
Yeah. Maybe Jimmy was
Okay, if you can
making
figure
his own
out
recordings.
if you can figure out how to reproduce that, then
It's alive.
I opened and closed the menu a bunch, but from what I've learned, that's a strictly don't do that thing.
That's how users find fault with the program. They
I told you I was gonna break it.
It's the whole aim of it is to break it.
Oh, it works now. I don't know.
Oh, hey, look at that. Jarvi, rotate it into the ground again. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, the texture.
Yes, whoever said my name.
I think your game is going to have the same reputation as Mario Maker 2 with all the beta testers.
Ooh.
What's the reputation that Mario Maker 2 has?
It's just glitchy.
Oh.
Mario Maker 2 feels like it's a beta right now, even though it's been out for a year.
I see.
Well, the whole point of the game is like, oh, let the user create their game. Like that's super lazy.
It's buggier than the first game, though. I don't get how
I
that's possible.
don't blame them.
Oh, it's not. It's not bugs. It's unintentional features.
Hey Jimmy, remember that.
I will. Okay.
Yeah, you know when you spam click, it crashes your game. It's a feature.
Yes.
It's a quick exit feature.
Yeah. Oh, bro, Yujo, are you still placing 1 billion fucking keys down? Oh my god, you are! Bro, Yujo, why? This poor game. There's only so much it can take.
He actually managed to place boards inside keys, so...
Good lord.
Yeah, when the game is lagging, when he was placing down the keys...
Oh god!
Yet,
Jimmy didn't code it for morons.
No, this is not a scenario I ever anticipated, to be 100% honest.
Oh, if you hold control.
Did you seriously not anticipate someone covering the whole world with some component?
No,
Sorry.
That should have been the first thing. Abuse.
Obviously.
Okay, do you guys have any clue why my microphone is just stopping and ceasing to work after like a minute?
I have no fucking idea.
It's tired of hearing you, maybe.
Oh.
Yeah, I am too. Trust me.
It's probably because of the profile picture, maybe. I don't know.
That's my cat.
Okay.
Leave me alone.
It's a nice cat. I like the cat.
I don't know. Maybe
Cats
it's
okay.
Cats aren't known
Discriminating against
to
cats.
disturb keyboard users.
Oh.
Yeah,
Rodney does.
They create interference with your microphone.
This
Get
game
rid
is
of
cat.
the cat.
Very true.
Jarvi, if you look in the spam channel, I posted an example of, like a simple example of where exclusive pegs are useful.
That would be interesting. Oh.
No. Yeah, no wonder I can't ping the server. It's still installing Debian. Right.
And the top of the inverters are exclusive.
Yes. So
Oh,
like
I see.
For
The signal
Lolocast.
from number 2 doesn't go into and over.
exactly, yes.
Okay, actually, that might be useful.
It's super
I agree.
You made it.
Wait. I gotta think now.
Multiplayer, do make this page. Yes, please do it.
Lol.
Jarvie.
Yeah,
Jarvie,
that
you know,
that
Jarvie, you know how like every time you have a backflow issue where something is powering through some other component,
Yeah, I
that's
get
what the
that.
exclusive pegs are for.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
it's-
so basically
it's not
creating
useful in all
diodes.
cases. Yeah, but it's not useful in all cases.
Is it Java that has the music really loud, or is it me?
No, I don't have music up. I'm
I
trying
can't
to
hear
figure out my
myself
logic.
think. Oh, I've got the feeling the music is getting louder and louder every second.
Me?
that
Oh.
would be a bug. Yes, Daniel?
I think I broke board resizing.
That is unsurprising. Board resizing has a lot of problems and I need to fix it.
Jarvie had a problem with that earlier.
I think
Yeah,
I
because
broke the music.
I'm constraining it to what components are on the board, and then it won't stretch out again, and it won't save. I
Yeah,
don't know.
yeah, I know how to fix it. It'll be fixed in the next beta version.
Question,
Yeah.
Jimmy, about board resizing. Can you
Yes.
resize boards that have components on the edges?
No. Well, you can resize them, but you can't resize that edge of them, if that makes sense.
Ah, right. So that's what we discovered.
Sort of like again, right now, the resizing mechanic has a lot of issues. Next beta version, it should be working nicely.
This XOR is weird. Is there a
Yeah,
way to fix
Jimmy,
XOR stuff?
the music is starting to get out of control.
That's interesting.
It's supposed to be muted.
Okay, use the command music.stop.
Music.
And
Stop.
then make it.
Shut the fuck up. Doesn't
and
work.
then make it spit out in the console. Why would you ever stop music?
It's really good music, I must say.
It's really good music, but I'm starting to bleed.
Okay.
I'll use my Windows music keys. Okay, Logic. Well, wait.
Nano,
Jimmy,
are
is
you
there-
tuning
I've encountered an
into-
issue with the singer.
Wait, hold up. Is there a way to place this XOR so that it's like not flat like that, but like it's up?
I literally have no idea where the music
Oh,
is.
you mean place it on? Yeah.
Nano,
like
it
not-
might be coming from Broyojo's stream on Discord.
There's no
Maybe.
access for that.
Okay. So
Fuck!
Jarvis,
It was that. Oh, yes, it wasn't me.
I think
Yay.
Jarvie wants to rotate it on another axis.
Yeah.
okay, so no, if you want to make it, you can't like stand it up on its end. You would have to use a board to put it flat like that. What you can do is okay. How do I describe this? So you're placing the XOR by like the left part of it, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
No.
So what you can do is hold down. Okay, yeah, hold down left Alt, and then look at the other block of the XOR. And now, okay, I'm describing this poorly.
You changed
Okay.
the origin of the rotation.
Yeah. Okay. So look straight down, Jarvie. What? Why is it not moving? Okay. Release Alt. Yeah. Okay. Look straight down. Look straight down. Now hold Alt. Are you holding Alt?
Yep.
Okay. Now look at the left side of the XOR. Now release Alt. Okay. If you released Alt, then like look around. And now you're placing it by the other half. Do you see?
Hey, Josh.
Huh.
What the hell?
I swear, you're running like a little dune buggy.
Doesn't really help much. But okay. Neat.
You can see you as a midget, just like riding it all around, like.
I
your room.
Fun
do I
fact.
do that
I am a midget, just a really tall one.
Me, I posted something. in the
No, that's actually true. Did you know the tallest midget was 1 meter 73?
Uh oh.
Oh, you mean Tom Cruise?
Why is
No, no, he's
I
an
can't-
actual
no.
midget. He's an actual tall midget.
Oh wait, there we go. Okay. Something worked.
Oh, and
Uh.
also I banned memes from the Redstone subreddit.
Thank God. About
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my god.
I need to see less memes in my life. Jesus, I see so many.
Certainly need to see less memes on r/redstone.
For real.
Yes.
Remember when people used to talk in sentences here and like didn't communicate with one word memes? No.
I don't. I'm too young.
Ah.
Suck.
Okay, boomer.
Stonks.
Too strong.
When you can say
There
the
are-
words stonks.
You know, this might be our
Nine.
all-time high for most people in the Logic World voice chat.
Yeah, I'm taking a picture.
Please don't.
Everyone's
No.
very happy I'm here. That's why everyone else is here.
Of course. We love you,
Exactly.
Daniel. Oh, yeah, Jervy, I'm looking at the board placing bug. I figured out why that happens, so I'll be fixing it as soon as I leave you to go back to work. Which is actually right now.
No.
Looks like we've had a great start to beta testing. I am super excited, but there's still a lot of work to do, so
Yeah,
I'm
we
gonna
need to
go
break
get
them
started
up.
on that.
Jimmy?
Can I screen share you really quickly?
Yeah, I saw your direct message, Dan. I'll do that
Wait,
before I
hold
get
on,
back to work.
I'm just gonna screenshot this.
Nano, what were you saying?
Will you be available a bit later once I get the server up and running?
Absolutely, I would be delighted to play multiplayer with you tonight. That would make
Oh,
me indescribably happy.
Jimmy,
This is
Jimmy,
the closed beta, right?
This is a closed beta, yes.
Cool.
Who's saying my name? Just say the thing.
Hey.
You don't have to say my name first.
Hey.
Jimmy!
Jimmy, hey.
Yes.
Jimmy!
Let's just open this, both of us.
Okay. Does somebody else have something?
Back to work. It's not.
Yes, I
it's gonna
should.
get worse.
And fix the console, please, because it's absolutely massive.
You already found the help menu, though.
thick.
Fix the music.
Okay. My priority right now is the board placing, and then my other
Makes
priority
sense.
is the cloud build. Fixing the issues with that so that we can deliver updates to you quickly in the future. So I'm gonna work on that.
Look, I don't want my ears to bleed, okay?
I don't want your ears to bleed either. I wish nothing but the best for your ears.
That's not what you would say to Pip. We all know that.
No, I actually love Felipe a lot, and I have tremendous respect for him both as a human being and as a fellow developer. And I wish nothing but
as
the
a
best for
sex
him and his
object.
health.
Good for you.
Oh, no,
No, no, not at all.
Philippe codes non-sexually. It says on the Logic World.
Yes, yeah, we
Most of the
made.
time, yeah.
Most of the time. He doesn't really have a choice.
Yeah, not really.
I mean,
Sorry,
if I called
Felipe.
this game Roblox but for electricity, how would you feel about that?
Honored by the comparison, I suppose.
Now we're
Fortnite
gonna have to
without-
post the Roblox.
now.
All right, everyone, type 1, 2, 3 for a boyfriend.
1, 2, 3, 4, boyfriend.
Okay. Thank testers for beta testing. Thank you, not beta testers, for watching and being interested in the game. Thank you,
Yes.
Felipe, for helping me make my dreams come true.
Thank you for
I'm gonna
fake
try
one.
to
Shout out
get
to
early
Mom,
later.
Dad.
Fuck non-beta
Yeah.
testers, we're above them.
Okay. Take care, everybody. Goodbye for now.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Right.
Hey, all.
Well, I wrote 3, 2, 1, so I'm not getting one.
How long does Debian take to install?
Wait, I already have a girlfriend.
Yeah, I do
Oh.
too. She's totally real.
Polygamist.
She's totally real.
Totally real.
Yes, she's really good. And we have sex all the time. Yes.
What the? I did not need to know that. Okay, and that's your personal business.
TMI.
Why can't I place the board on the axis that I want?
Poor child.
Remember, you hold Alt and look at the axis. I think it
But
was
it
that.
like flips it upside down. How do I?
Oh, you have to flip it. You want to like rotate it around. I see. Q&E.
I want Z and C back.
Z juice. Oh no, I'm kidding. Okay.
Also, Felipe, how's the modding API? Like, do you have any info on that?
I haven't been working on it lately, but
Okay.
I want to get it done soon.
Cool.
Okay.
Awesome.
Can't wait. I've got some really crappy ideas for mods.
Yeah, can't wait to see them.
Really shit ones. You'd want to unsee them, so...
Okay,
Like,
guys, I have a mod. It's a double-length peg.
It's just twice as high. A fat peg.
Yeah.
Just a piece.
This is a blotter peg. You can connect it, and it doesn't have an output.
Yeah, I was gonna expand on my door mod. And I have a couple more ideas, but I'll keep them for later. And they're
Ooh,
equally
make a door that spawns dragons.
Oh yeah, re-implement dragons and just build adders on them again.
Ooh, we haven't seen the new chairs.
I was gonna say like
Oh!
a circuit that blows itself up, like.
It's like
something
your
that.
girlfriend.
Yeah, she totally does that. My girlfriend, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
What he means is that his girlfriend posts on fucking Instagram.
I return.
Blows up.
Alright, guys, I think that's my. So if I now resize it.
Oh, interesting. You can scale the menu. Yeah,
Can you scare it?
where are those chairs?
There should be chairs.
But I can't see them. I might
Musical
be-
chairs game.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Hello, I'm
I
back
actually
from
kind of
dinner.
want to implement moving parts, even though I hate Minecraft pistons.
Okay, time to do more testing.
Testing, 1, 2. So yeah, Felipe, for when I'll be able to install that server, I can just get the server executable out of the client and execute that.
Yeah, although you'll need the Linux build.
Yeah, I have the Linux build as well. I think I have it on my desktop, but I'll probably...
You should install Netcore on the server too.
Oh yeah, right.
Oh, but when do we expect we'll be doing that multiplayer test, boys?
When Debian gets installed, it's taking ages, but
Oh.
it's
I like the way
starting
you say
daily
that. On a vertical
apt upgrade. Oh, login.
Vertical ICA design.
Everyone in North America says Debian, so it's interesting to hear that.
Well, he's
Well, I'm not North
Debian.
American.
He's a fucking
Yeah.
scrub.
Do I have sudo?
He's in
Sudo not install, apt install.
baguette land.
Oui,
they said
donc
fuck.
déjà tu vas commencer à me parler meilleur, toi.
Oh, French!
Fuck that shit.
I cannot. You are remind me of my girlfriend.
Wait a second. This...
Yeah, my girlfriend.
No, mine. You fucking idiot. You don't have any.
Our girlfriend, yeah.
I can see
Oh
the...
no!
Commun.
That is
Um,
fucking pedophilia. That is true.
Okay,
I-
so
Do you need that error log pipe?
Yeah, that would be great.
I can see the buttons
Uh,
unrender. I can see the
Do you
pegs
see
like
the stream?
unrendering.
also, yeah, I'm amazingly impressed by graphical. Well, there's nothing much to render actually. Now that I'm thinking of it. But yeah, it's running on my laptop with no GPU pretty smoothly.
Oh, that's nice.
Let's see, someone mentioned Roblox, so I'm gonna post this in spam.
Jarvis, can you show the console?
Love Roblox.
I can't.
That's actually how I learned to program.
Behold, Roblox logic.
Nothing is working. I can't. My mouse is gone unless I like Alt Tab.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Apt install sudo apt install open SSH.
That's
Open SSH server.
Wait, Roblox has logic in it?
Yeah, you can. It's just Lua.
yeah, it's Lua based, right? That's how I learned to program.
Right. like you learned to
Roblox.
program, but you're still asking
That's
if it.
Roblox.
So load save logic test.
Oh yeah, Dwarf Fortress.
I'm gonna try it later before I go halfway across California.
Oh no!
Someone rewrote Lua in JavaScript.
Oh wow, that's like cancer. Right.
What's the pick block button?
That is cancer.
I didn't know it was that like possible to get that much cancer.
Is there no way to rebind the pick block button?
Trust me, I know.
This is very interesting.
Did
There's
you like write brainfuck in that Lua?
Probably.
I work with green stuff, man.
Yeah, and I work with JavaScript.
Oh, JavaScript.
Ugh.
We work with CoffeeScript.
Were you guys saying you guys are having like no performance issues?
I was expecting to have some performance issues, but not at all. Like I'm running at a smooth 30 FPS, like the
Yeah, well, okay.
PC Master Race guys.
So I'm running at 144 and I'm turning on like a handful of components and I'm dropping to like 40. So
Ooh.
but
JavaScript
it's
more
and
like
it's also
more like
freezing my entire game at times. So I'm just trying to figure out what's happening so I can replicate it. But it seems like if I turn on screen share on Discord, it fixes the problem.
Wow.
For whatever reason. If I open and close the pause menu a bunch, it fixes the problem. So
Don't do that.
yeah. I don't know what's happening. and there's like no way to replicate it. Unless I get like a keylogger or something and it can be like literally replicated, but
Okay.
I don't know.
Oh no! Every time I try to, it won't let me paste vertically. Oh, it does not want vertically.
I have an idea. So basically, we use.
Same. I have an idea as well.
We use.
I just crashed the
Like
game.
vertical, it does not like vertical.
So we can place components inside each other with hacking, and so we can make an XOR AND gate, so it'll be sort of inside itself. Well, it'll be inside each other, so we'll see how that turns out.
Use different words, please.
Different words.
Yeah.
So,
My game
time-
is like crashing when I try to build vertically.
Okay. There, and that, and that, and that, and some buttons. Okay, now just wait for a few minutes.
OpenSSH is installed.
Pipe, do you
Okay,
see
I'm gonna
this?
get the beta right now, cause why not?
Sudo systemctl.
Pipe ready? 5.
Okay, the hacked components are done.
And if I control,
These are very hacked.
You can't get the beta, Josh.
if I control G,
Oh, I can't. Okay.
Okay.
No, it's a closed
Well,
beta.
Okay.
and I like
Dang.
This is a delatch. Okay.
once I place this, it's going to break the game.
I will get it once it comes out though.
I just want to get it in the right
Oh
spot.
yeah, definitely. I'll
Oh,
probably
no.
be buying a second one.
This
just-
is actually very this
Brilliant.
is very broken.
Anyway, I'm gonna be working on my other hobby.
I will call
being gay.
this is the amalgamation of XOR gate, a delatch, and a what is this? A relay.
Oh, that worked right there. What the fuck? Oh no! Ah!
Okay.
Wow, it's the multi-component.
The
Modding
multi-component.
before modding.
Pipe, did you see that?
Yep.
Wait.
I can't even.
Hey. Bye bye.
Fuck.
Let's actually see what we can probably make more compact circuits with components inside each other. Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, I doubt it's.
Yeah, I'm not trying to do that. I want my pegs to be able to get inputs and outputs from easily.
I have to see the implications for this. So I mean.
Whoa! What the fuck is that? You guys
What
see
the
that?
fuck are those?
Piper, you see that?
I swear to God, if
Look at my
someone
stream.
springs up
Hey
on me.
guys, look at my stream for a second. Ready?
Yeah.
Hey!
What? It just goes
You
away.
just made a cannon, basically.
It-
Like ejecting components into space.
XOR
Oh,
cannon.
New crouch? Oh,
Look,
you've...
they're going somewhere.
Hold on. I'm gonna rub my eyes.
Oh, that's just giving me some
It
ideas
keeps
for
going
mods.
until I look at it. Watch. Oh shit.
I'm gonna rub my eyes before doing this.
Nope. Now it's working again.
Oh, never mind. Oh, coming. Okay, I'm just.
Okay, there's
Everything should be logged since you're streaming it onto YouTube.
No,
there.
I'm not.
I think there's gonna be
there-
some
Oh, you're not.
confusion between.
Why aren't you?
My YouTube streaming's like got derped.
No.
Alright, so I was gonna try to build a vertical ICA, but it's looking like vertical building is not going to be a thing.
Well, until we have snapping pegs, we can't build a final good one.
Well, yeah,
Okay.
you can do it without snapping.
That is very broken, but okay.
Look, well, no. If you look at my stream here, the way this is gonna work is, this is just gonna be sticking out and we tie in. To the next one.
Yeah, I know. I really do not like that.
Yeah, I think it would
Right.
look great.
Snapping pegs all the way.
Oh well, yeah, that would automatically do it for
The
us.
snapping pegs were my idea. My idea, guys.
I
Okay.
still love this instant carry that you give anything.
There are some rendering layer weird things happening.
Hey, I made an instant carry as well. Set TPS 20 million. It's an RCA. Look, it's instant.
Okay,
I wanted to prove mine was.
Oh yeah,
Mm,
rotating is like broken. So
Felipe, how far did you push the simulation?
We do have some benchmarks, so yeah, I think it should be fine for big builds.
Okay, cool.
This is audio simply fucking.
One thing we need to try Java is pipelining.
Yes, it does.
Hey, no one has built a clock yet.
Oh yeah, I haven't even fucked around with the D flip flops yet. I was like,
Someone
okay,
should build a clock. Why don't we have a clock?
because
quick.
some things are fucked.
wait, is the
Wires and shit.
Clock an
the
inverter into itself.
wait is the multiplayer server working yet or?
I don't know. Let's
I'm confused on
ask
what
it.
thing that's
Are you
working.
working yet? Sudo apt install then. No, it's not working yet.
Oof.
I'm still working on it.
Is that data in, clock, and data out?
If I can't set up the server in the next
Oh. Jesus Christ.
10 minutes,
Nice. Okay, so the D flip flop works exactly how it should.
I'll install it on another server
Is that
and let it
instant,
run on that
or
other server.
Is that a delay?
What? It didn't lag. Okay, now it's lagging. Good. Exactly what I want.
Let's see, SSHD config.
There.
Root login,
Is
yes.
that one tick?
We should have the D-latch XOR gate. The new component.
Guys, I'm gonna set my server, my tick speed to 1 tick per second, and let's see, is that? Oh fuck, it is 1 tick delay. Shit.
This you can probably make like.
Whoa.
Okay, good.
Hey guys,
It is
that's kind of hacky, but in a good way. D flip flops are instant.
Ooh.
Here's my testing to prove that. Let me just add
Are you a hacker?
So like, look, so relays enabled, D flip flops enabled, and then here's data coming through. This is at 1 tick per second I'm simulating at. They come through at the same rate.
That sounds good.
Like that is real. The deep. Oh no, it's not. Wait, never mind.
Okay, so Open Secure Shell server is active and
They
running.
visually update at the same time. That's hacky. Never mind. The nub at the end of one is telling it to wait another tick, but they visually update.
I have created the D-latch XOR gate. We'll see how this goes. So,
Never mind. The
Should
D-latch
hide
is not
IP
instant.
module.
Never mind. I take that back. I take everything I said back.
Yeah,
so,
take it back, and I never want to see it again.
Good.
so I mean, this does work. I think it does work. Yeah, it works. the D-latch XOR gate is done.
Nice.
Now we will try the relay XOR gate. So this will just go over here. Time to do some lag hacks. Good, lag hacks are done.
How do I do that rotation where I change the rotation of the shape?
Hey.
Where I change what I rotate around? Alt. Look at that side.
This is my
Connection refused on port 22.
Okay, there we go. There we go, brother. No, wait, that's not what I wanted.
Wait, so for the server, basically. Oh, okay. Okay, the XOR relay is done. It has been produced.
Is it like a magic trick? It has been produced.
Yeah, it's been produced. Oh, I think that is. Yeah.
It's kind of like how we were born.
I was gonna say a really edgy joke, but I won't.
Oh, let's do the. Oh, okay. This
I'm not a
nothing.
fan of the shape of these components. I'm not a fan of the shape of the XOR and of the D flip-flop.
Okay, I'm making the double way AND gate. The double headed and double input AND gate.
I'm working on a count.
Okay, it's done. This is actually
That sounds like some sort of sex toy, but okay.
this is this is very cursed.
An ICA, AOU. There's literally nothing we can't build.
It is actually very cursed.
We just need those few basic building blocks.
Goosebumps collection tree life.
Okay, yeah, it's cursed. So now. Oh, okay.
Is this gonna break the game?
This. Okay, yeah. I know what to do. Okay, now this will be the three-way relay.
Okay, that base is
Okay, so I should be able to SSH into the server now.
No one cares.
I at least ping it.
Just kidding. Do your thing, Nano.
What?
Okay.
Control FNF6. Did I just close top red? Fuck.
Dang it! What?
Oh, another admin will fix it.
Another admin. Not my problem.
Connection refused. Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, that's what you get.
Okay, the
Am I
three-way
using the wrong IP?
the three-way relay did not work. Sad.
I was confused on what you mean by
Actually-
three-way, because relays are usually like single pole, single throw. Single
No, I
throw,
mean,
multiple
like-
throws.
Putting relays inside each other.
Hmm.
So I think it is possible.
Kinky.
It is possible to put the two other relays inside this relay.
Oh, things are getting fancy.
I think also this double-headed AND gate will be helpful with adders too.
Double-headed AND gate. I like where this is going.
You're getting a not connected error on the server?
Me?
Yeah.
I
was having that problem with single player, so.
Oh no, I'm actually speaking about an actual Linux server.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no. I forget. Yeah, whatever Jimmy told me then to fix that wouldn't be relevant then.
No.
No,
what
because
was
I couldn't even like log into a
probably
local server.
It's probably me being stupid and forgetting
there.
about
The
some basic feature.
the three-way relay is going to be born soon.
I gotta think about the counter and how I want it to work.
So I'm gonna activate SSH.
Oh wow.
Open VPN.
This video is
So, is it
very
possible
hard
your
to
internet service provider blocks ports, or are you not there yet? Because that happens with mine.
No, so basically what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to connect into the secure shell of the server. But
Oh,
for some
okay.
reason it's not allowing me on port 22, which is the SSH port, the default SSH port. And everything I've got tells me port 22 should be open for TCP traffic. So I've got no other. I'll probably just say accept all incoming traffic and just get every single malware on the internet.
Oh, it sounds like fun. It's
No.
Linux.
No.
There's no malware for Linux.
Yeah,
Oh
bro.
god. On the server I used
Totally
to
safe
run
mindset.
I had a Russian botnet running on my server at home.
Sounds legit.
Yeah,
Let's
that'll
see.
do it.
See,
What?
it's weird. There's a weird process on the boot startup. What the fuck? And it was just me being really stupid. So.
I had no fucking idea what you said. I was.
Our internet service
Okay,
provider
yes.
says like emailed us regarding botnets, and we're just like we don't have any. Leave us alone.
Okay, yes.
Not yet.
Oh,
It's probably if your
four-way can be done actually.
service provider emails you about having one, you probably do actually have one.
We've checked everything. I reinstalled Windows on everything, and like it's
it
not
might not.
master
It might.
record.
It might not only be Windows. It might be installed on your router.
Okay,
Uh,
now
I don't know.
this will be four-way
I
relay.
would literally
This might actually be
delete
interesting.
everything. Because if you have a botnet running, all your traffic is going through that router. And
Yeah, like I had a
your-
traffic monitor, and nothing seemed suspicious. But apparently everyone on our service provider was getting them for literally no
Oh,
reason.
okay.
So
Yeah, that might be it.
yeah.
Okay.
It might be just the terabytes of porn. Just
Can
red.
confirm.
Yes, the
Oh my
ultimate
God.
relay. Four-way relay.
Excuse me.
Okay.
World roll.
Yes, I want to check my ports. Open port
Okay.
checker.
Roll rolls.
The Logic World is having trouble rendering, well, rendering the outline of these. Okay, time to confirm that these actually work.
Port 22 is closed. So why are you telling me port 22 is open?
Because it wants you to go fuck yourself.
Yeah, that's
That's
the
rude.
only solution I can find.
Well, that's what
Only
Ableton is
Christian
doing.
language.
So protocol TCP 6, port 22, port destination 22.
Fuck your
Okay.
Christian language.
This is a Christian Logic World server.
I'm atheist, bitch.
Jarvie,
Get in my level.
Jar-
Port 22 is closed. Am I
Jarvie
at
would.
least on the right IP?
Somebody's calling my name.
It's me.
Call my name. Call
Would-
my name.
Would four-way relays have? Would four-way relays be good?
That's a very generic
Sure.
question. For what situation?
For any situation, a situation where you need it.
I don't know what you mean by four-way.
Yes, if your house is on fire, grab a four-way relay.
Yeah.
It will help.
No, I mean like
Well, it might.
I hacked relays into each other. With
What is its features?
it well, it's just 3 layers inside each other. So maybe for
Well.
compactness. Maybe for compactness. I mean,
I
they
don't know,
all
man.
they're all worked. They all work. They're not glitched.
Right now, I'm working on that sweet synchronous counteraction. Fuck, I totally connected those things to the wrong. Fucking
Okay, so sudo fw allow 22/tcp. Skipping, adding existing.
Oh, I can actually make something very cursed. This will be a very cursed image.
Is it porn in Logic World?
It's going to be. It's going to be for
Logic World gone sexual.
Be
It's not
careful,
clickbait.
Felipe. It's gonna
s-
happen someday.
yeah, rule 34.
It is.
I swear, Jimmy's profile picture will just turn to porn at this point.
Oh, I did some pretty hot photoshops between Felipe and Jimmy in the olden times.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I've done some photoshops
Oh
of
no!
Jimmy and my
This
too.
okay. This is very cursed right here. This is very cursed.
Evil stash.
I done some Photoshop profile picture and just like putting a mustache on his profile picture.
What the heck is that? Okay, so add. Okay, sudo IP table stash a. It's input. P TCP deport 22 -j accept unknown protocol TCP. Oh.
You tried giving it a known
Excuse me,
protocol.
excuse me, what?
Jesus.
Just
Yeah,
teach it the
computer-
protocol. What the hell?
UDP, Jesus.
A computer game retailer revealed that
Okay, so I
it
need my
legally
AND gate
owns
recommended.
the
Oh, that's
souls
right,
of
AND gates are
thousands of
literally
online
wrong.
shoppers, thanks to a clause in terms and condition agreed to by what the fuck?
Sudo.
We studied that in our computers class in high school that Jimmy also happened to be in. That was a fun article.
What was?
The people agreeing to the terms and conditions of sites, and one of them said, "We own your mortal soul if you agree in it." Yeah, some MMO or something, but yeah, it was a good study.
Yeah, I know stuff about the company I work for where the terms and conditions are too great. You should read terms and conditions.
The terms and conditions of Discord aren't great because they're like, we'll never sell your data, and in the terms and conditions it says we can sell your data whenever the hell we want. So, I don't.
But in that case, it's more thing.
Well, I already understand. I just don't put anything I wouldn't want to be seen on here, right?
Oh.
In the place
can
where I
chat.
work in, it's a stereotype for me to like sell
Okay,
myself
okay.
to a devil, quote
Yep.
unquote.
We got two heads working.
Well,
Now-
what do you mean, Josh?
It's a stereotype that we sold our souls to the devil, quote unquote.
Are you a redhead?
What the fuck? No.
Oof.
They have no
I
soul to
I have
begin with.
black hair, dude.
Are you like fully black?
Yeah. what do you think
Good
I
question,
say I'm
good question.
German? Like a lot. It's because nobody believes me. like
Okay.
okay, if I put
I got all
a
the
photo
heads
of
working.
myself, they would not fucking believe me. Trust me. They wouldn't.
Nude photo.
Board resizing is nice. Look at
Okay.
this.
What was I gonna say? Okay. Since Josh keeps saying he's black, the image I've got of you is literally that in my head. So send message. That's how. Okay.
Where do you send this?
Just send it in a random spam channel.
Oh my god.
What the hell?
Look, I'm black.
I don't know what I walked into, but I'm glad I haven't been
Okay.
in the server for long.
Okay. First of all, my daddy even isn't that fucking.
Oh, you're going in that area. You shouldn't about that.
It's like, no, because he's darker than me.
Yeah, and what's the stereotype about black people and their dads? Yes.
Well,
It's-
he
he's-
did die, duh.
Well,
I
that's
fucking told
sad,
you.
but don't bring it up.
You can't talk about it.
What
Okay.
can I say?
I'm actually streaming now, so.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
Cursed
Oh, okay.
components.
I love Jesus.
Okay, I'll just leave
Watch.
Jarvis stream. Why not?
Just
No,
very
not just leave
cursed.
your stream.
So,
Mm,
yes.
I never seen an entity so handsome.
the what?
No, spam.
Oh, and then these hands. He is.
Yes.
What a pretty pair of eyes and teeth.
Okay. Fuck is that like?
Okay, what other cursed thing can I make?
How about a Enderman in water?
It needs to be done in Logic World though. I don't think any Endermen exist.
No, I'm just thinking of just cursed things in general.
Oh, yeah,
Just
okay,
build
well,
a house.
Build
I
a
know,
house
I've
made
had
out of-
far fewer components than this in my world, and the game crashes. So I don't know if it's just my computer or what's happening. But yeah,
Oof.
straight up not having a good time.
Why are you laughing, Jarvie? Why are you laughing at his suffering?
Because the meme, though.
That's kind of rude.
These seem to be. Oh no! Okay, I hit it again.
Because the game's just like, want to run, and it's like, well, yes, but actually no, and then it just crashes. So I don't know.
I don't know if any other cursed
Okay,
components
so
can be
if
made
the
because
port isn't open, okay, fuck that port. Closing that server right now. Launching it on another server. Be so much easier. How much? Might need to delete some movies from it.
Nudes, delete your nudes.
Yeah, I got too
Make sure
much.
you back them up to Discord first.
Good idea. What a good idea. Okay, 42 gigabytes of the good doctor can leave. Bye bye.
How many nudes do I have?
that might
Weird
be
name for a
possible
porn
to
folder.
be cursed.
Oh, I have it.
It'll be
2
very
gigabytes
cursed
of
if
my
I do that,
nudes.
but okay. I
Well,
will do it.
yeah, on that server, about 2
Time for
terabytes
more
of
lag
movies and
manipulation.
series.
So now there
And yeah,
and there.
Yeah, you hit
And
that enter key.
and I've got about 6 seasons of Alien Theory on it. If anyone wants to see it.
Oh, what?
No, I'll just download it from the internet like you did.
Good idea.
I'll
It's
just call.
I'll just go
good
get it from Black
content.
Markets.
Okay. Oh my
Uh,
god, this is very cursed.
Oh, how are you doing this?
Oh, what you're talking?
Like, how are you hacking things into each other?
Basically,
I wanna fucking.
you lag the game a lot with a lot of keys, and the game basically freezes because it's
no.
processing the keys
Oh,
still.
so it's basically
He'll have to add
is-
something that suppresses parts that are erroring or something, because that's the thing that's causing issues with mine.
It should probably not allow you to place components when the collider is deactivated. I don't know.
Well, it should probably load a world without crashing as well. So
Pip probably already has an answer, and he's probably saying that is saying pure bullshit. But
now we have the and XOR gate.
I love that.
that's useful.
Can it be?
With perfect teeth.
Okay, good. This actually what? Wait.
What?
Oh, that's connected.
What's-
Okay. This is these are the pegs for the and.
Hey, build
Wait.
the smallest adder you can.
That's confusing.
Oh,
Actually.
can you
What are you
take
doing?
your and XOR gate and flip it 180 degrees and fuse it
Shove
with
it up
another
your ass
and
afterwards? Yes.
XOR gate?
We can fuse.
Oh,
wait,
it's already up there. Okay,
So-
so I'll be installing the server. I just need.
wait a sec.
so-
How is this even possible?
Fuck.
That should
Post
be
it.
the middle peg. This is an and gate, but it's like what? Oh, okay, that's fine. It was inverted somehow. Then the XOR gate still works. So yes.
I have no clue what's going on here. To be honest with you, buddy. But yeah,
I am
that's
confused.
that's fun.
Okay, CD.
Also, 4-way relayer.
Jesus nuts.
This might be helpful in some ways. I don't know.
Well, maybe helpful.
Okay,
The game likes copied boards more than it likes the original board. Okay.
so Felipe.
What
I'm
happens
about
if you
to
copy
set the server,
your screwed up gate?
Huh, me?
So I probably need
Yes,
your help.
you.
Okay, yeah, I can.
You're the only
try.
one making like cursed components.
Okay, I'll make a cursed board. I can put boards inside.
But
each
what
other.
happens if you try and copy the stuff that's inside each other, like together?
I don't know. It is.
Try it
It
out.
is,
At
it
this
is a
point, are
mystery.
we too afraid to find out?
It is a mystery. Like the game
Try
could
it
just
out.
crash on me and I could lose all my cursed boards.
Felipe, can I get
But
you?
okay, I will try
chat?
it. So I will make an
Try at
XOR
the end.
and.
Try it at the end.
Can we go in
It's fine. I'll just do it right now.
kilobytes 2? Another chat.
So
Sure.
Thanks.
wait. So how do you copy a board?
I don't know. I haven't been able to play the game much yet.
Oh,
You press Control G.
Control G
G is for-
facing the board.
G is for grab and Control G is for copying.
This game is a lot of commands.
Yeah, it's been.
Yeah.
I recommended you do like a simplified mode because if someone wants to play this on controller, they might as well just not.
Okay, so I can make the cursed board. I can make the cursed thing right now. So there, and now okay, there and there. Now we wait for this all to finish updating.
What is that music?
There, it's done. Very cursed. Now, we can actually make an inverter in this too, on both sides. We can put an inverter on both sides. Well, this is simple enough. Let's see if we can move this.
Put a display in there as well.
And, yeah, just very, like, extreme cursed. So, okay. We will make very super cursed thing.
What is that?
Okay.
That's him breaking the game.
There, and then the inverters on both sides, and then what is it? The display. It might finish updating even before
Although I do find that pressing and
Oh my
and
God.
like rapidly pressing the escape menu does the same thing to glitch the game out. So you might not have to press enter.
enter is just I don't know. Well,
Yeah, but I think you can do it with just the pause menu without the components. I'm not
so
sure
just
though.
by doing this.
Yeah, that's what I did and my game crashes, so.
Oh.
I probably should have mentioned that first, but
Okay.
yeah.
Well, okay. This is like a horrible amalgamation of components. It is the
Component shame.
the super component. It has
Absolute unit.
yeah. Okay, so now
The D flip flop is broken.
Oh No, not that deeply, but
It won't write a 0.
It doesn't? I tested it. It did write a 0. Yeah, if you go over to my XOR delatch, we can test it. It's like this, and then also this. Write a 1.
But I have a feeling if you copy those components, the game will freak out because it'll be like, why are there multiple things in the same location?
Oh wait, maybe I have the data and the clock mixed up. Oh.
Yeah, like the one on the side is data, I think.
That's so dumb. Oh, why would you do
Okay.
that?
Let's see if Control. Are you sure Control G is copy? Like nothing is coming up for
Yeah.
me.
Are you looking at like selecting a board?
So I'm pressing Control G from here.
Are you in a an empty like hotbar?
Oh, it has to be empty.
It helps. I find it useful.
Wait, so how do you empty the hot? How do you empty a slot?
Press tab and just like click like the air around down there. You'll see it gives you a new one.
Oh, okay. Okay, now the menu comes up. Oh, it does just copy.
Yeah.
Yes. This horrible thing.
So now I need to think.
Why does this thing exist?
Okay, so now copy multiple. And
Yeah. Oh yeah, the board alignment is so broken.
Yeah, it is. What you have to do, what I found to get around that, is place what you want, get it, and then don't fuck around with where you're actually going to move it. Then, once it's placed, because all your wires stay attached and everything moves with it, if you then press Control, or no, and then press G and grab it and then move it, it'll snap better.
big
Okay.
brain.
Yeah, it's weird.
And like I'm not used to this kind of game, and I suck at. But my goal here is just to break the game. So
Yes, this is very game
At least
breaking.
you got a goal.
This is okay. That was a lot of lag placing something on these boards.
what happened with mine is I had a bunch of displays connected, and I was just flipping a switch forward, and it would crash the game.
Really.
First it would lag out for a second, and then it just started crashing the game for.
Hmm.
Yeah, I crashed the game, but I was trying to stack vertically, which is already a known issue, I guess. So.
Also, the game doesn't
Or am I
know
trying to build vertically?
what to render here. Like sometimes it'll render the and red, and it'll sometimes render the blue and the white.
That's called Z fighting.
Yeah.
Z Fight Club. Do it.
And okay. So we must make a circuit with this. How about
Can we place multiple boards on top of each other?
on top of each other?
No, inside of each other.
Yeah,
Microphone's
you
just straight
can.
up freaking out.
I think you can. I'm pretty sure. So like, let's copy the. Let's lag out the game, then copy the. Well. Okay. Well, I'm not sure if I can copy boards in that grace period, but I'll try to make new boards inside each other. So.
I have no words to describe how good your profile picture is.
Mine.
No, cause
Do you know what it's from?
No, but it's really good.
Do you want
Looks
the
like the
context?
Okay.
Yeah,
Game is
yeah.
lagging.
Well,
Let
let
me
me
It's
go
like the
find
same
it.
profile image I see everywhere
is
on
placed.
Counter-Strike. I'm sorry.
Board is placed. Board is placed.
If not, I'm just gonna think it's a thirsty anime girl.
Okay, there. Now there should be boards inside each other, but we have to wait for the.
Half of Discord just a
Okay,
thirsty
yeah.
anime girl.
Here it is. The
Game
har-
me.
These are the boards inside each other.
Gamer girls. Gotta love them.
I'm a gamer girl.
Oh no.
Okay.
I can identify as whatever I want as 2020 fam.
Still,
And now let's place a board inside this board.
Inside.
I
the
heard
other
you like
board,
boards, so I
inside-
put boards inside of boards so you can board your board.
Hell yeah, border.
Okay, now I'm bored.
Nice.
Okay, this was
Go
not
back to the boards.
this was not a hack.
Oh, build a house.
Build a house.
I was wondering, can you teabag in this game, or is there no crouching?
There is.
Oh, yeah, awesome.
Wait, hold on, let me see.
Wait, there's
what's crouch?
crouching.
What's crouch?
It's C.
Oh, it's not crouching for me.
All right. Here, I got the wiki link. I'm gonna put it in Not Logic World.
When I
Leaks.
crouch, I just stop flying.
Oh.
What other cursed thing should we do?
You gotta read the entire thing.
How about
Put a display inside a display and turn one on and leave the other one off.
yeah, that'll work. Oh, wait a sec. That is
Then it'll do what we call Z fighting, apparently, which I just learned.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Basically, I watched the 3D game design crash course and it said Z fighting.
okay. Time
Sounds like something from Star Wars, but okay.
there. Now place a lot inside each other.
Oh. Yep.
There.
Yep,
That
alright, yep.
that is a lot inside each other. Now it should be like a super display.
Actually, theoretically, if it works the same way as a monitor, you could do like 3 subpixels and a backlight.
Okay, it's done. Now let's try to turn stuff
yeah,
on.
She's a rapist.
Oh, I already had a lever.
Yeah. You got the
Okay.
concept.
Awesome. That is exactly what I want it to look like.
Dude, we can make gradients now. Like, fly up. I want to see if it looks fine.
It's like you have to like I think yeah you have to like stand still for it to stop.
Yeah, but will it mix colors if you turn on multiple?
We can see. So
Like that could be a way to make a decent-ish monitor with fewer inputs.
Yeah, so the
wait,
yeah,
so
Midas
how
is
do you
thirsty.
how do you edit stuff? Like edit their color and stuff?
Try L.
L, okay. Yes, okay.
There you go.
Let's make
Oh, that's some good music though.
okay.
AF.
Yes, okay, yep. That was a lot of errors and that was a lot of lag. Okay, well, should I modify this?
Change the color of that one though.
Yeah, but like the game lagged like crazy. Okay, that should be changed, hopefully. Oh no, it needs to be this one.
Curse.
It needs to be this one that's changed. Let me pick this orange one. Oh, that's interesting.
I bet if you stood far enough away and stopped moving, it would somewhat look no. But if you up the tick rate to like 60, I guarantee you it will look like a mixed color.
So, is that just like, oh my god, the
Because a monitor's what, 60 frames per second usually.
So is it like-
But I think if you upload or update the tick rate to 60 now, the game will just die. So,
how do you change the tick rate?
there's something in the other chat.
So what you do is you type in
Oh, okay, he's got it.
server. Here, I'll place. I'll type it.
I think it will like literally end everything, so that might be something to try in an empty world. I
Doesn't
don't know.
end anything. All you have to do is type that in the console. I just typed it in the logic.
Okay.
Server simulation.
Just replace 10 with however many ticks per second you need.
Yeah.
Let's do 60.
So why not?
Oh, that's weird. Said just command not found. Simulation dot rate. Is that?
Works for me.
Hmm.
He broke it.
Maybe. is sad.
Oh wow! Look what I'm allowed to do with this.
Oh no. Okay,
Do you
lots
see
of
that?
lag.
Do you see that?
You
What?
tried.
Do you see that? The wire's clearly clipping through the block.
Yeah, that's clipping.
Chat for your stream.
Okay, well, we can.
Somehow that's allowed. Okay, I'll take it. Like it works for me.
There, now this light should have a different color.
Okay, now for the carry logic.
Where can I download this, or is it not allowed?
It's closed beta.
Dang it.
Well, I mean, this is sort of a gradient, but it's like noisy.
Alright, I'm gonna go play that game, but with just inverters.
Yes.
Oh, the tongue game? Tongue?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what else do we want to see that's cursed?
Your stream ended, by the way.
It did? What? That's really weird. Okay. Okay, it's up again. Okay. This is the end product. It's just some weird stuff.
I wonder what'll happen if I put, what is it?
Now, what if I do like a cursed and four-way AND gate?
What if I put connect to, the place button?
That sound. Okay, there. That should be a four-way AND gate, and I'm pretty sure all the inputs should be reachable, I think. It's going to be fun to show.
Yourself a house.
It's done.
With,
Yeah.
complete with light switches. And lights.
This, I don't know if, yeah, these AND outputs, yeah, they actually are usable. So yes, another four-way component.
That looks very complicated.
What does?
Is whatever the hell that is.
It's four AND gates inside each other. And it's
Yeah.
Like a Russian nesting doll of AND gates.
How wide are the squares on the ground?
Very.
I don't know exactly how. Oh, like
The black, the gray ones.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's like 16.
Like 16.
Yeah, it's like 16. I think it's 16 at least. I counted up to 15 up to this one, so. These multi-directional, these like weird cursed circuits might be helpful in some cases. I don't know. I think the XOR AND would be the most helpful. Oh boy. Okay, that.
Intel's gonna show up in this lobby and be like, yo, you want a job?
No. Yes, just give me.
Fuck, I need to rotate these.
Hey guys, I figured out a way to put AND gates inside AND gates. Give me a job.
Sounds legit.
How do I change which direction I'm stacking to?
Ask it nicely.
Nah, it's just constantly stacking in one direction.
I think it's like,
Try right click.
That just closes the menu.
Oh.
or it's
well.
like try XZ and those sort of things.
I already did that. What? The rotate buttons?
Yeah. Maybe it'll work. I don't know. Okay, time to make a.
Toggle board flatness.
Maybe I can make 4 D latches in one space.
I like how now when you press escape, instead of it fucking just deleting what you did, it undoes it.
Oh.
Wait, you can middle click? Gamery.
Actually, the cursed D latches might be helpful actually for memory compactness maybe. I will do experiments, so. One there. One there.
I believe I figured it out.
One there. And one there. Okay, that should be four D latches inside each other. Now I have to see if they actually all work independently. When you have pegs inside other pegs, okay. This, oh yeah, they'll actually work independently of each other, I think.
Wait, what's F8?
Oh my god, yes. 4 AND gates. This is a D-latch. This is 1 block D-latch. Well, because of them inside, they're inside each other. But it actually works out. Wow. You can actually connect to all of them. Yeah, because one of them is this. So that one has 3. One has 3.
I like it.
Okay, well, I can maybe try to make a memory out of this. Using cursed logic. So, data comes in this way. Clock is... Oh no, they're actually 2 pegs inside each other. That's bad.
But try right clicking and control. And then right click another one. Yeah. Did that do it?
Yeah, it actually did it.
1000 by 1000 board. Good decision. Why is there a max? I'm disappointed.
Only because you're gonna break it.
No, it's only 1000 by 1000.
Oh right, but 1000 by 1001 by 1001 will break the game.
What was that?
The game does not like numbers over 1000.
I don't believe you.
I don't believe me either.
The grass is poking through my board.
That grass though.
Okay, that's 1. And then the other one, just put over here.
This is so weird.
Is there a way to
because
copy
of
paste
cursors
boards in
off-
Chung?
Because the cursor's off when you try to make your boards, you have to make them bigger so you can place your components on them, and then make them shorter to get them back to the size you want. Because the cursor's off by 1 block.
Ooh.
So it's still not super friendly to build in yet.
Is there a way to copy stuff in Tongue?
Yeah, press V.
No, I mean like copy paste without more than one menu.
I don't know what you mean by that.
Disappointing.
This actually is one of them is exclusive. Oh my god. Trying to get this one that isn't exclusive is cancer.
Wow, that's so nice.
Again, I suggested Jimmy add a feature to suppress components, so like components can disappear, so you can get to ones behind it, for example. This is obviously an extreme case, but yeah.
Yeah, this is like, oh my god. Oh, I'm touching that. Okay, now they're both, and then... Yeah, it's unfixable. I pretty much have to, delete this, sadly.
Oh, you tried.
And... Yes, lots of errors. Yeah.
Props to the game for not crashing.
Yeah, that's good. It's what we want. So basically, if I'm gonna do this, I have one there, and then I have one there, so that goes inside that. I have one there. Yeah, if I do it this way, none of them will be conflicting.
Yeah, you can move them into each other afterwards, right?
You can't, no. Well,
Oh.
I can't really select
Or-
anything
well-
in that state. I have to just place them all at once. So, yeah.
Oh.
So I have to just remember where the previous ones I placed.
Or could you potentially hook one up and then start placing the other ones in it?
No, I think the game. Oh boy, lag spike. Okay, I think the game actually doesn't allow you to do that in that state even. It doesn't load the collider, I guess, in that state because it's too much lag with the keys. So key lag, and now this one goes.
Wonder
there.
what would happen if you made a macro to automatically press enter key endlessly every like 100 milliseconds. Wonder how long it would take for the game to break, or if it would at all.
You can make delayers with these keys. You can slow down the game so things happen later and things happen later. Okay, our D-latch should show off soon. Okay,
Welcome back.
It's here. Okay, yeah, this is the perfect state where all of them are easily obtainable. Okay, good. This is 4 bits of information in this small space. That's good. So now data and this data and
Yeah, I can guess my
Jimmy.
status, what I'm fucking doing.
Greetings.
Hey Jimmy, I broke the game really badly.
So I see. Through
Yes.
more abuse of keys.
Yes, we have some very interesting components, like this component. D-latches, 4 D-latches in this space, and all the pegs are accessible too, which is good. And even the outputs are.
Fascinating.
And we also
Fascinating.
we also have this thing. It's an XOR gate,
Good lord.
an AND gate, and two inverters. And it all works. Like you can still connect to all
Yeah.
these pegs.
Okay, well, you were the right person to choose to beta test this game, I suppose. Well done with breaking it.
Okay. And the game hasn't crashed yet, but there are a lot of errors that are happening, and it lags a lot.
Like in the console?
Yeah, it lags a lot when you open the console because so many errors.
Oh boy.
Yeah, lots.
Alright, well, I will fix those at some point. For now, the reason I came on was to ask, is there anybody here who is good with Linux? I really need Linux help.
I'm not great.
Lame. Alright,
Probably now.
I've only done like EC2 stuff. That's pretty much it.
alright. Well, I will ask somewhere else then. Take care, everybody. Have fun with the game.
Okay.
Okay. Well, not yet. Okay.
Okay, good. Now I need to hook up the clocks.
Display.
He's gonna get disappointed again.
Okay, the setup is done. It works. Great. Now I need to just line these up.
There we go, that looks better. Okay.
I'm debating whether I should make macros for this game or just wait for Logic World to come out.
I would just wait for Logic World to come out.
Dude, it's like more than a day away.
Bruh.
Okay.
How are you enjoying the Ultimate Nerd game?
Well, it hasn't broken yet.
Yeah. I bet you love the logo in the title screen.
The only thing I like about it so far is that it lets you map multiple controls to one key.
That's a good point.
Can you do that in Logic World?
There's no settings menu completed yet, so I guess no. And I've looked through the config file or the suck file, and it doesn't look like it's going to. Oh, it probably will.
If I complain enough, it will.
Yeah, well, I'm thinking there has to be a way to use a controller and the keyboard at the same time. So I'd imagine there's probably a controller 1 and a controller 2 option. I hope.
You hope.
Well, I'll ask him about it.
Jarvie, I made very compact delatch thing.
Looks very good.
It actually works, which is surprising.
I think you might as well. Yeah. I'm gonna delete this.
Okay, well, time to make more cursed things. I have a feeling I won't be able to open this world again. It's very sad, but it's, yeah, can do nothing about it. Okay, so...
Fellas, I'm cooking a pancake. That's why I'm AFK. Give me a few more seconds.
Oh, okay. Time to make an adder with cursed components. I think that's a good idea.
Wouldn't mind a pancake.
Can you make like an instant diode?
In tongue?
Yeah.
Well, I mean...
I know waters exist, but they're not
No.
instant.
No instant diodes in tongue. Everything you have to do has to be CLA based if you want it to be synchronous. Which is a pain in the ass, but if you're doing like a counter, isn't bad. But if you're doing like a full adder, it's a pain in the ass. I can give you a CLA table if you want it, where all you have to do is then hook up your XORs and XORs or whatever.
So basically for the adder, I have this AND gate inside this XOR gate, so we can compact that a lot. So then, once we have that, we then need an AND output from the other XOR gate, which I think we can just... No, can't come through that way. We can... I don't know. Let me just make the hacked XOR gate first.
Use a relay instead of a second and then you can have an insta carry.
For...
Your adder, unless you're not playing Logic World.
I am playing in Logic World.
Yeah, so if you want to make your adder fast, use a relay instead of a AND gate.
Okay. Well, I have the first part with the and the XOR. I don't.
Bros, this pancake turned out beautiful. Ugh.
How do I use a relay?
Alright, yeah, so what I was saying, if you have your first AND gate, that's fine. That AND gate will go into the output of the relay. The input to turn the relay off, that instant select, is the propagate, which is the XOR.
Okay.
The XOR also goes into the other XOR input.
Yeah.
And the second XOR input to that is the carry-in.
Yeah.
And the carry-out would be the output of the other, of the relay, basically. And that relay, since it's instant throughput and then can be cut, gives you instant carry.
Interesting. So.
Yeah, if you want, you can see my stream. I can show you it. If you look here. So if you could somehow compact all these the blocks into each other, but so you have your XOR and your AND. Your AND goes on the output of the relay. Your carry-in goes on the input of the relay and into the second XOR.
Okay.
The other input to the XOR is the first XOR, which is also controlling the select for that. So here's your sum, and your carry is generated as your carry out of this, and then whether or not this bit is allowed to go through.
Okay. So yes, you look here.
I should take a picture and post it.
Yeah, so maybe look at it.
You can't press Alt F1.
Sorry, yeah, I was yeah, whoever asked if I was dead, yeah, I was just AFK for a second.
Oh, okay.
We can make a relay XOR, I think. It might be possible.
It'll be slower than the regular one, but yeah.
God, I have such bad.
Well, I mean, like, we glitch the relay inside the XOR for compactness.
Oh.
Yep. Okay, so.
Fuck, I need something to drink.
Aw, why is tongue lagging already? I only have like a few thousand components.
I only have a couple billion. I only have a
And none of thing. They're all boards.
So yes, in theory this should work. It didn't work.
That's exactly what I say all the
Oh
time.
yeah, cause this goes there. It didn't
Anyway,
work.
this melody.
Oh, cause I didn't hook up the and in the beginning.
Sorry
there.
guys, I'm back.
Are they in the same key?
Oh fuck.
Yes, I think. They start on G2. Okay, they're slightly off. Yeah. Yeah, they're in the same key. Yeah. I'm just listening to chord progressions. Yeah, there's chord progression. I cannot do English today. How about the melody? Okay. Okay, how about all together? No, start over here. Yeah.
Oh boy, lag spike. That and then.
Hi, Nitro.
Hi.
Hello, Nitro.
Also, Repsy joined.
I'm doing very cursed stuff. Like,
I would think.
use it.
I would think. I wouldn't expect less from you. But you're actually doing good, believe it or not.
So.
Mixer. No, I don't want this speaker on. Fucking
Hey, our cursed adder works.
track volume.
Okay, now to. Yes, we can make this much more cursed. We can get the relay inside these two gates here. So, okay. Left. Time to do some lag manipulation.
No, I want to edit value 0 decibels.
There.
we go.
Now our cursed objects should spawn.
Negative infinity decibels. Okay.
Oh wow, I'm not.
Decibels.
For some reason,
Negative
it keeps cutting out
0
stream.
decibels. Negative infinity. Okay. There we
Okay,
go.
I'm streaming now. Good. Okay, the cursed component is there.
Hold on.
Good. The very cursed component.
Oh
Now.
god.
Now. This and then.
You are breaking the game, and I like it.
Yes. We can have components inside each other so we can simplify circuits.
That should be a feature.
Yes, should be feature. Oh, it's sad. I can't do that. Well, I mean, yeah, I can't really hack that in. that. So sad I have to have it like this.
Ask Jimmy to make it a feature.
Yeah, this should be a feature.
It's not. It's not a happy accident. It's just a feature.
Okay, now this should work. Maybe. Did not work. Oh, this.
Oh my god. It fucking.
What you doing?
Trying to get my board to expand. Not working whatsoever.
Aren't we all?
Yeah, brother.
Wait, what is that sound? I swear.
These flying controls are not that
I'm masturbating.
good. Sounds like it. Or you're shitting your fucking brains
I did
out,
not
one or
to
the
know
other.
that.
Nah, it's my playing
also-
cards.
It sounds like you're having diarrhea while you're jerking off.
So. I should have made this on a board. But yeah, it works, I guess. Okay, this is maybe more compact, yeah. Jarvie, I combined the AND gate, the XOR gate, and the relay in one block. Well, in one component.
Wow.
So now it's like very compact.
For the love of God, why?
Okay, good. And it'd be nice if I could put the XOR gate inside there too, but it
Hey, what's going on, everyone?
No, holy shit.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Yo, it's been a while since we spoke, Jarvie.
Yeah, it's been a long time. You get the beta version from Jimmy?
Yes, sir. Gonna
Nice.
open it up right now.
Oh,
Yeah, I got
it
a
actually
message
it
on
actually
Reddit.
is possible. It is possible. I can combine the XOR gate. It can be literally a one component adder. Okay, this must be done.
How do I make a new world? Is it the command on the...
You
Yep,
have to
it's the
load,
command. It's load save and then the name of the world.
Okay.
real convenient, right?
Okay.
How do you get into the command prompt again? The console, sorry?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, I just remembered I had a muffin. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you've got a muffin. Wow. That's cool.
Yeah.
Tell me more. I want to know about your muffin.
Okay. That is a whole adder in one component. It should show up soon. all the components for an adder, just
Too
all.
bad you can't import that into like somebody else's game, right? Because it'll.
What do you mean, a muffin?
Oh my god. Jeez.
Yeah, too bad that I actually have a server running, but never mind.
Wait, do you? If you can get it up, I'll build.
Oh, the server is technically up.
Jarvie, this is literally a complete instant adder cell in one component.
Nice. You followed my logic, my diagram.
Yeah.
Nice.
And now it,
Wait, post a screenshot.
It literally can be done. Oh yeah, I'll post it.
You're too op. So here's the thing. I'll design the logic. You put it all in one block. Perfect.
Okay. And yeah, basically we can do hacks.
Post your screenshot.
Yeah, I'm getting it. Oh, for some reason it didn't post. What is it like? It open that. It's like not posting. What the heck?
Okay, so what's
Okay, Discord is like breaking. Discord.
It's buggy.
Discord literally
Like-
crashed.
Wow.
What?
Gotta love when that happens.
They're using like some sort of weird port. Am I being retarded?
I was working on this. Okay, I was
Yeah.
working on this. So
And by the way, this is without the wires, so it is all the parts of the components are accessible. They're not hidden, so it should be.
That's dope. Can I see a screenshot or? Are you
Yeah,
streaming
it's
right
like uploading. Oh yeah, why am I not streaming right now? My God, this is so broken.
75 megabytes.
Okay, there. I know the screenshots for Tongue are ridiculous. They're like, well, they're probably at like native resolution.
Sonic World up to.
Let me stream. So.
Oh yeah, it is. Wait,
Okay.
March 13th.
Well, this is the all the components in one
Oh my goodness! What the fuck? Can you actually?
How is this working? That's weird, dude.
Yes, we basically you tax the game with a lot of key presses.
Oh, I
from...
see what you did. You tied. Oh, you motherfucker.
And then you can place things, and they don't exist. Their colliders don't exist in the world, so then they just spawn in, and then they can be inside each other. And okay, that's.
Does that mean the colliders for the pegs also don't collide?
Yeah, they don't collide, but they're still all accessible.
Wow.
So look, this is
Wow.
an AND gate with an XOR gate with an XOR thing in the middle. This is the.
Good luck keeping track of your in outs.
I think I know. Maybe I'm
That
going.
music though.
Is it too loud?
It's blaring.
Oh. There. So, okay. Let's set this up. So this middle one is the XOR input for those two. These two are for the ANDs.
Oh my goodness, you're actually doing this.
Okay, and then
You should quit while you're ahead. Because you're making me feel bad.
okay, then this goes into that relay. Okay, and then
Don't forget the AND gate. Oh, you have the AND gate in there. Oh my god, you cheeky son of a bitch.
the AND gate is in the XOR gate. Yeah. Okay, so then what is it? Yeah, okay. This goes
That's actually useful as fuck because the XOR gate gives you a second spot for it. Like it's meant for
there's the AND gate output. Okay, then
Well, alright, I'm gonna stream again, but I'll watch again when you're you got that working.
Yo, how do you guys make a new board? Is it not H?
No, you have to press. You have to go to the circuit board component.
I know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, boy, there's a
Too many open files. Okay, that's not good.
okay, then okay, the output of this also goes to yep. Okay, almost done I think. And then oh boy, the output of that relay goes into that XOR. Yeah, okay.
F1 hide your cursor. Okay.
Jeez, okay. And then that input of that XOR goes from okay, this might work. Let's see.
Yes, I'm watching it.
No, is that not accessible? What? Okay, let me put this on a board.
Okay, Jarvie. Okay.
Oh my god, no. Is that not accessible? No, this would have been so perfect. Why? Okay, well, I mean, we can see it turn red. And so we don't need a light, but it's still, yeah, unable to connect to stuff.
Oh my god, I'm retarded. I see.
Why are you retarded? Because you were born, or?
Okay, it works. But you literally you can only look at it. You can't connect this output peg, which is really annoying. I mean, like, look at this. This is an adder segment, but you cannot connect to this output thing here. Cuz the wire's connected in the center of it.
Yeah, that's what I was figuring. Yeah, I had a feeling something like that would happen.
That's weird though. I have this, and then somehow this works. Like,
wow.
Oh fucking cunt! I think I found my problem. Why the
This-
server might not be working.
this still works. It's not. It isn't like breaking. You can. I think there's a way to get around this. Maybe if we like position it so like it's high enough. Yeah, let me get mount. Okay, yes, it's done. Jarvie, it's done.
You got it working?
Yes, you can actually connect it. Okay, I think this might be the most compact adder. Well, the adder cell.
Got us all beat. And it's insta carry.
Okay, I made it more compact. Okay, this is like very compact now. Jeez. This
Stack it.
Bugs.
I didn't make it on a board, so I'll have to do this again, but
That sucks.
it's fine. I think I remember how this goes. It's
What is the keybind to remove things? Sorry for asking so much here.
It's like
like to delete it.
Yeah, delete it. Something I placed.
It's T.
Ah, thank you.
You don't even have to select it.
Oh. T for titties.
Yeet.
Wait, what? What?
Is it right?
WatchMojo.com top 10 psychotic drill sergeant characters. What the fuck? I leave Sidecraft for once. And it's literally from the fucking admin.
The game looks pretty neat.
And he's also the owner of the server.
The game is really neat.
Yeah. Hopefully. Jimmy doesn't fuck it up.
Oh.
Alright, please tell me this synchronously counts.
480.
Hey, alright, that's synchronously counting down, and now can I synchronously count up? 1.
What is closed? Why is all closed?
Because ore is full of shit. Okay, now the last thing I need is data. I need to be able to branch. Like you're saying for like a mod or something? Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that, bro. But I mean, you do you. Yeah, I think you can convince yourself and other people that. Yeah, okay, yeah, that would totally, yeah. I agree 100%. If you're doing Yeah, it looks like it.
See it.
Peace out, man.
Bye.